happening morning today, July 31, 2021. Samahan po ulit kami at 11 a.m. until 1:30 in the afternoon para sa isa
and down there too. When I'm doing the shows, all of the roads, man, it be going so crazy.
OMG sa to ini, OMG sa to ini. Sa kasakitan sa tungtabangan, maghanap buhay ang kasaralitan. OMG sa to ini, OMG sa to ini. Sa kasakitan sa tungtabangan, maghanap buhay ang kasaralitan. OMG sa to ini, OMG sa to ini. kasaralitan. OMG sa to ini, OMG sa to ini. Sa kasakitan sa tuntabangan, maghanap buhay ang kasaralitan. OMG sa to ini, OMG sa to ini, OMG. OMG sa to ini, OMG sa to ini. Sa kasakitan sa tungtabangan, maghanap buhay ang kasaralitan. OMG sa to ini, OMG sa to ini. Sa kasakitan sa tungtabangan, maghanap buhay ang kasaralitan. OMG sa to ini, OMG sa to ini, OMG. OMG sa to ini, OMG sa tuntabangan, maghanap buhay ang kasaraditan. OMG sa to ini, OMG sa to ini, OMG. OMG sa to ini, OMG sa to ini. Sa kasakitan sa tungtabangan, maghanap buhay ang kasaraditan. OMG sa to ini, OMG sa to ini. Sa kasakitan sa tungtabangan, maghanap buhay ang kasaraditan. OMG sa to ini, OMG sa to ini, OMG.
Marhay na aga, Bicolandia, and good morning, online world. Welcome to the second day of our live selling happening today, July 31, 2021. Yes, Saturday, it's weekend, kaya may time tayo ngayon para suportahan ang ating mga local MSMEs at farmers. Dala ito sa inyo ng the Department of Trade and Industry, Camarines Sur Provincial Office, and online market ni Bishop Gainsa through Caritas Cáceres Naga Incorporated. So yan, marhay na aga po sa inyong lahat. Mag-hi naman kayo dyan sa comment section kung may mga gusto kayong i-shout out. Yan. So kahapon nga po yung ating day 1 ng ating live payday selling. And maraming salamat po dahil meron tayong na-earn na 3,000 views and counting. Yes, congratulations sa lahat ng sumuporta kahapon dito sa ating payday live selling. And also, we have reached 7,000 sa Facebook. So yan, congratulations sa OM Gainsa and DTI Camsur. And for today, iba't ibang produkto po ulit ang ating i-feature. Kung makikita na nga natin sa likod, meron tayo dito mga wearables and homestyle products. At the same time, may food products tayo. And don't forget to click the share button para naman makasali kayo sa raffle ng dalawang mananalo ng 100 pesos load na i-announce after ng ating live selling for today. And gusto ulit natin i-congratulate ang ating dalawang winner kahapon po. Congratulations to Miss Angeline Revilla Falavi, ang winner ng ating 100 pesos load, and Ma'am Richie Pinangnang, winner din ng ating 100 pesos load. So congratulations sa inyo. Kaya kung gusto nyong magkaroon ng 100 pesos load ngayong araw, mag-share na kayo, and please make sure na ang inyong sinare na post ay naka-public para po dito sa ating comment section makita namin kung kayo ay sharer. And also, we would like to announce our winner kahapon naman sa ating minor. Meron tayong naganap na raffle draw sa ating mga minor na nanalo ng 100 pesos load. Congratulations to Miss Rose Ortua. Yan. Congratulations to Miss Rose Ortua, winner ng 100 pesos load kahapon dahil nag-mine siya. Kaya kung magmamine kayo today, may chance na kayong manalo. Wait, correction pala. Wala nang mananalo for the miners today, but we have a game mamaya. So, tutok lang kayo dahil meron tayong dalawang 50 pesos load na ipamimigay naman. So, tutok lang kayo until the end of our live selling for today. And para naman magbigay ng mensahe at samahan tayo ngayong umaga, let's all welcome the Provincial Director of DTI Camarines Sur and the Assistant Regional Director of DTI Region 5, PD Edna S. Tejada.
Huwag po tayo magpapatalo sa pandemya. May 3 mabisang paraan para labanan ito. Number 1, walang humpay na pagdasal. Number 2, magpabakuna. Number 3, online selling. Opo, sa araw na ito, magkakaroon tayo ng 2 oras na online selling ng masasarap at magagandang produkto na gawa ng mga Bicolano. Sigurado pong malilito kayo. Pero sa larangan ng serbisyo publiko, ang DTI ay matagal ng yours na po, di ba? So, tara na, mag-mine na.
Thank you very much, PD Ed, for that message. Yan, maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta. And magbasa muna po tayo ng ating mga comments at batiin muna natin yung ating mga viewers for today. We have now a 34 live viewers. So, hello po kay Miss Malu de Venegracia Baltazar. Hello, ma'am. Kahapon, kasama ka rin namin. And yan, may mention siya. Mag-order na daw. Yan. If you want to tag your friends sa comment section, pwede po para ma-encourage natin yung ating mga kakilala na suportahan din yung mga local products natin. Then, ako mismo ay na-excite sa mga produktong i-represent natin ngayong umaga. Hello rin kay Miss Camille Garcinalosa, ang ating isa sa sharer. Hello, Miss Sunshine Princesa. Thank you for mentioning your friends. Yan, we also have Ma'am Sandy Pulad, San Pablo, and also Miss Kelly Firme. Yan, maraming salamat po. And thank you for mentioning your friends as well. May comments akong nakita dito. Hello po, watching from Iriga City. Hello, Mr. Senen Malaya. We have from Ms. Shea Abonita for support from the Federation of Agriculture, Cooperative, and Camarines Sur. Some of our farmers' member products are here and hoping na madami ang mag-mine sa Lirag Rice Beer. So mamaya po ipapresent natin yung mention ni ma'am. Ano po? And also, yan. So just mention sa comment section kung saan kayo nanonood ngayon para naman mabati namin kayo for today. And also, hindi po ako mag-iisa ngayon dito sa ating live payday selling dahil sasamahan tayo ng Digital Marketing Officer ng online market ni Bishop Gaines, our OMG. Let's all welcome Miss Ann Asido Locanias. Yan. Good morning, ma'am. Yan. Si ma'am ay sasamahan ako ngayon para i-present sa inyo ang iba't ibang produkto na kung ano ang meron ang Camarines Sur. And by the way, reminder sa lahat, ang ating prices for the products today ay nasa special price or discounted price po sila. So, i-grab nyo na itong opportunity na ito para naman, kumbaga, mas marami tayong ma-mine today. So, ngayon, let's start. I think comment kayo sa comment section if you want to start. Comment start if you'd like to start the live selling. Yan, start. Comment kayo ng start sa comment section kung game na kayo na simulan natin ang ating live selling ngayon. Hello, G-Man from Miss Ara Suarez. Hello po. Good morning, Miss Ara. Yan, thank you for mentioning your friends. Comment kayo ng start. Sige, damihan natin yung ating mga comment ng mga start para mag-start na tayo. Para alam natin na excited na ang lahat. Shout out daw po sa Malaya family from Iriga City. Good morning po, Malaya family. Yan. Okay, marami na tayong nakikitang start na comment. Hello, Ma'am Sheila. Hi. Hello daw. Hi po sa mga kahimanwa kong Bicolanos. Hi to my daughter, Ami. Ang Ami ganda from Mami Sheila. So yan, good morning po. Hello, watching from Fabrica, Bula. Yan, start na daw. Mine na daw, sabi ni Sir Seth. Yan, ready na ang lahat. Yan. At least marami na tayong start na nakikita. So let's start with our first MSME to be featured today. So let's start with Benita and Flora Food Products. So si Benita and Flora Food Products po ay may iba't ibang produkto. So we have first here the banana chips cinnamon, and this is sliced with the right thickness to absorb the right amount of cinnamon flavor. So every piece bursts with an earthy aroma and a sweet and spicy taste. Yan. So if you want this product, ang price po nito ay 144 pesos. Just comment Benita 1. That's Benita 1. Mine Benita 1 for this cinnamon, banana chips cinnamon product for only 144 pesos. Yan. So kung gusto niya na tong i-mine, ang ating unang produkto ngayon ay ang banana chips cinnamon. Yan. So, parang nakakatakam itong cinnamon na ito. Ako, favorite ko mismo po ang cinnamon. Kaya baka mamaya, mine na yan. Okay? Meron na ba tayong mga miners? Yan. So, remember, ang ating code for this one is Benita1 for only 144 pesos. Yan. 144 pesos. Okay, let's proceed sa next product ni Benita. We have the banana chips salted. Si banana chips salted po is made with quality bananas and flavored with salt. Our chips will satisfy your appetite and make you full. So busog na busog tayo dito with the second product, not chips salted. So if you want this one, just comment mine Benita 2 for only 120 pesos. So meron na tayong miners. Wow! Salamat sa mga nag-mine. We have first Mr. Seth, mine Benita 1. And also Miss Glenda Ragos, mine Benita 1. Miss Malu de Vinegracia Baltazar, mine Benita 1. 2 peraso daw po. So just mention kung ilan yung gusto nyo ha. Baka kasi gusto nyo bigyan yung inyong kapartner para naman hindi kayo nag-aagawan. Kasi kailangan may social distancing pa rin kahit kumakain. Kaya mas maganda, marami kang imain. So this one po is Benita 2 for only 120 pesos. Salted ang ating banana chips. Okay, we'll proceed with our third product from Benita and Flora. We have the banana chips sweetened. Yan, sweetened po. It is made with quality bananas, thin sliced and flavored with the right amount of sweet. This is your healthier choice of crisps. So kung gusto nyong medyo mas healthier, choose this one for only 144 pesos. Comment mine Benita 3. Mine Benita 3. Yan, comment na kayo ng Mine Benita 3. Kung gusto niyo yan, perfect for snacks, for movies, for the weekend, and also for ice cream, di ba? Pwede nyong i-topping sa ice cream o kung ano man ang gusto nyo. Pwede yan i-serve habang may bisita tayo. Okay, meron tayong pa-shoutout dito from Ma'am Mary Ann Sertan Buena. Ang ganda-ganda daw ni Miss Ann. Or today. Oh, may fans ka, Miss Ann. We also have, hello watching from Pili Camarines Sur, Ma'am Maria Sara Aguilia. Hello po, good morning. And also, okay, meron tayong yummy banana chips. Yan, sabi ni Sir Mike Lapigueran. Mine Benita 1 from Miss Nancy Velasco. So, thank you very much, ma'am. So, we will proceed with our fourth product from Benita, ang banana chips unsweetened naman. So this is a crunchy snack that is guilt-free with no added preservatives. Take note, walang added preservatives. Salt and sugar lang. So this product is worth 102 pesos. And just comment para mapasa inyo na itong product na ito. Mine Benita 4. Mine Benita 4. It is flashed on your screen kung ano ang ating code for this morning. And unlimited po ito ha. Hindi ito paunahan ng pagmamine. Kung ilan ang gusto nyong i-mine, just comment down kung ilang peraso. Comment kung kahit sino po pwedeng mag-mine ito. Unlimited ang ating products for this morning. Pero mamaya, exciting kasi meron tayong mga exclusive products na talagang paunahan sa pag-mine. So abangan ninyo yan. So this one is banana chips unsweetened. So comment mine Benita 4. Yan. Let's proceed with our fifth product from Benita and Flora. Our fifth product is banana chips chili. For our chili lovers, yan sa mga mahilig sa maanghang who are looking for a unique snack with a little bit of a kick dahil sa anghang, introducing their very own chili banana chips. Wow! Hindi pa ako nakakain ng chili flavored na banana chips. Kaya kung curious din kayo kung ano yung produktong ito, just comment mine Benita 5 for only 144 pesos. 144 pesos lang po, meron na kayong chips na chili. Pwedeng-pwede nang ipatry sa mga ating mga bisita na gustong magkaroon ng flavor of what Bicol is. Yan, pwedeng ipadala sa Manila because we ship nationwide through Ninja Van. So, pwede po itong ipadala kahit saan. Pwedeng-pwede. Yan, so meron tayong comment here. Mine Benita 4, 2 pieces for Miss Bill Fuentebella. Thank you very much, Ma'am Bill. We have Mine Benita 4 for dalawa for PD Ed. Hi, PD. Good morning po. And we have also Mine Benita 4 for Miss Olga Labudlay. Yan. So, thank you very much for supporting this morning. Yan, don't forget po ha, to share our live, comment, tag your friends na nakita nyo na, ay, baka magustuhan to ni friend or ni sis. So, comment nyo na yung friend nyo and magpabili na kayo kay friend. So, let's proceed with our sixth product, ang ating turmeric honey star cookies. So, this is a mini bite-sized cookies with a crumbly butter texture and earthy spice taste from turmeric, which the honey balances, give it a mildly sweet aftertaste. Yan. So, yung honey ay nakakombine doon sa ating turmeric product. This is only for 102 pesos. So, comment down, Benita 6 for 102 pesos. Benita 6. Mine, Benita 6. Hello sa ating 57 viewers this morning. Mine, Benita 6. Ayan. So, ito mini bite size naman po ito ng mga cookies. Ano po, kung kanina mga chips, this one naman is mga cookie na pwede nating namnamin naman. So, mag-mine na kayo ha. Ang daming nakikitang viewers, kaya kung ako sa inyo, magmamine na ako. So, mine, Benita 6, 2 pieces daw po for Miss Ara Suarez Portugal. Thank you very much, Miss Ara. Maraming salamat. And now we will proceed with our next product. So, comment lang po kayo ha. Pwede nyo itong balikan maya-maya lamang, or kung nag-iisip-isip pa kayo, you're comparing with the other Benita products, pwedeng mag-comment kayo later on. So next product is the Malunggay Star Cookies. Yan, so kakaiba yung mga produkto ni Miss Benita. Ano po? So we have this one naman, Malunggay Star Cookies. It's a buttery, milky, and mildly sweet that you get to enjoy the texture with the tiny, visible malunggay flakes that do not affect the cookies' overall delicious taste. Yan, so if you want this one, this is worth 102 pesos. Just comment down, Benita 7. Benita 7 for only 102 pesos. I-comment nyo na yung gusto nyong i-mine. Shout out daw po to Dindi Medina and friends at Kamhay. Hello, Ma'am Teresa Esmeralda Medina. Magandang umaga po. Yan, i-comment na. Yan. Okay, just comment your code and then mine Benita 7 for this Malunggay Star Cookies. Now we will have the next product from Benita, yung chocolate chip cookies naman nila. This is a very famous variant na commonly binibili natin sa mga coffee shops. So meron din po niyan sa Benita and Flora. This classic crunchy snack will be your next favorite, the perfect pangbaon for outing, for anywhere you would like to go. Just comment down Benita 8 for only 102 pesos. So 102 pesos lang po ang ating chocolate chip cookies. This is a producer from Buhi pala. So hello po, good morning sa ating mga viewers from Buhi, Camarines Sur. So meron tayong minor for Benita 4. Hello Ma'am Mini Imperial, thank you very much for supporting Benita and Flora. We also have mine Benita 6, 2 pieces for Miss Beth. So good morning ma'am, thank you very much for supporting. Mine Benita 7 for Miss Mary Ann Buena. So good morning ma'am, maraming salamat po. Yan, ang dami nating minors for this morning. And sa ating mga minors, abangan din mamaya, meron tayong games. Ano po? And sa ating mga viewers. Mine Benita 8 for Miss Betsy Fuentebella Malsi. So thank you very much po. Maraming salamat. Now we will have the 9th product of Benita and Flora, which is the Chili Choco Cookies. Our chocolate cookies has chili in, but don't worry, the spice is just right so you can grab another bite. This is the Chili Choco Cookies of Benita and Flora for only 102 pesos. Yan, just comment down, mine Benita 9. Mine Benita 9. So meron din po kaming pina-flash ng mga products and other photos of our products sa screen nyo. So parang mas ma-experience nyo, ano ba yung meron dito sa Benita na to? So we have, thank you very much Mr. Jess Manguera, Sheridan. Don't forget po ha, sa ating mga sharers, para makasali kayo sa 100 peso load na game natin, comment, share done, para ma-acknowledge po ng ating team na kayo ay nakapag-share na. Yan, so meron tayong amazing products from Benita and Flora Food Products, Oragon from Buhi, Camarines Sur. Thank you very much, Sir Seth. Yan, maraming salamat po. Done share na daw po for Miss Arlene Cortezano. We have from Ma'am Angela Glenda Milianos, mine Benita 8, 2 packs, please. Okay, ma'am, yours na po. Okay, so now, okay, let's proceed with the last product of Benita and Flora Food Products, their pili nut butter cookies. So each cookie contains finely grounded, made from locally produced pili nuts, leaving with you a familiar buttery and nutty flavor that melts with every bite. So this one is worth 102 pesos as well. Just comment mine Benita 10. Mine Benita 10 for this product, ang ating pili nut butter cookies. So, talagang lokal na lokal ang tunog ng ating produkto. And if you wanna try and curious kung anong lasa nito, just comment down, mine Benita 10. Share na daw po for Miss Shay Abonita. Thank you very much. And yan, just comment down kung sino yung gustong mag-mine ng ating mga Benita products. Ano po? So thank you very much for supporting Benita and Flora Food Products from Buhi. Now, we will proceed with another MSME. Galing naman po ito sa Partido area. Let's all welcome ARAM Food House, or their brand name, La Comida. Yan, known po sila kay La Comida. Let's first feature ang ating unang product, which is the laing ng ating La Comida MSME. So, gawin nating mas smooth ang inyong Sabado with our signature creamy laing na perfect for your lunch. So make sure you have enough kanin because you'll never know kung mag-extra rice tayo with this product. Basta may saing, may laing. So, may na La Comida 1 for only 138 pesos. Ako, favorite ko talaga ang laing. Kaya, gustong-gusto ko yung laing laging may combination. Pwedeng adobo yan or any fried products. Kaya kung gusto nyo na nasa office kayo, may baon kayo na fried chicken, for example, may baon din kayong bottled product ng La Comida, which is laing. So mine, La Comida 1 for only 180 pesos lang po ito. Ay, 130 pesos. 138 pesos. Yan, na-attack po kasi ako sobra sa laing. Na-distract tayo ng kaunti kilaing. Yan. So, meron na ba tayong minors ng ating mga laing? Meron tayong minor dito for Benita. So, merong Mine Benita 10 daw po for Miss Betsy. Okay, na-mention na natin to. Mine Benita 10, 2 packs for Miss Sunshine Princesa. Thank you po. We also have yan. Thank you for sharing and mentioning your friends. Thank you for sharing Miss Angeline Palabi. Yan. Thank you, Ma'am Angelina. You are the winner kahapon pala. Hello, you're watching. So, our next product from La Comida naman po is another known product or food here in Bicol, which is the Bicol Express. So, let's spice up your lunch this Saturday kasama ang signature Bicol Express na perfect for solo or family. Kaya itag mo na si nanay, si tatay, ate, ang iyong tropa at ka-office mate para umorder na today at mag-mine for only 150 pesos. Ang ating Bicol Express, ang code ay Mine La Comida 2. Okay? Okay, would like to acknowledge watching right now, Father Bernard Lagatik. Hello, Father. Good morning po. Marhay na aga. Yan. So, Mine La Comida 2 po for this second product of La Comida Goa. Yan. Galing po ito sa ating mga watchers from Goa. Marhay na aga po sa inyong lahat. Make sure na share nyo na ito ha. Let's support our local MSMEs. Yan, meron tayong ganitong produkto from Goa, kaya nakaka-proud. Ano po? So, meron na ba tayong mga miners for our product? Watching all the way from Singapore, Mr. Rocky Lumagas. Hello, Sir Rocky. Kamusta po dyan sa Singapore? Yan. Meron tayong kamote. Okay, kamote chips po. How much? Mamaya po, i-feature natin si kamote chips. Kung magkano, kaya abang-abang ka lang, sir, kung magkano yung ating produkto this morning. So, just comment down. Okay, meron na tayo from Miss Betsy Fuentebella. Mine La Comida 1 daw po. Mine La Comida 1. Yours na po, ma'am. Ayan, wow daw, sabi ni Ma'am Jillian. Ayan, thank you very much. Let's proceed with another MSME. Ito naman po ay galing sa Lupi. Punta naman tayo sa District 1. So, this is Solid Core Food Products. So, ito po ipapakita natin sa screen natin. Manufacturer po sila ng pansit dyan sa Lupi. So, their first product is the Pansit Flat, which is 200 grams. And meron din po silang 450 grams. Yan, ang kanilang price for this product is, i-flash natin later on kung magkano ang ating Solid Core Pansit Flat. So, yan po, if you want this Solid Core Pansit Flat product, just comment down, Mine Solid Core 1. Mine Solid Core 1. Yan. For a while lang sa ating price, bine-verify lang natin para sure na mamamine nyo talaga ang ating product for this morning. Yan, watching from Singapore. Meron tayong comment dito. Watching from Singapore. Haha, no money. Sabi ni Sir Joey Adups. Yan, hello sir. Yan, mag-mine ka sir. Let's support our local MSMEs. Meron tayo from Mr. Seth. Mine La Comida 2 daw, isa. Yan, thank you very much sir. Seth. We also have Mine La Comida 1. Okay, na-mention ito kay Miss Betty. For this product na meron tayo this morning, itong ating pansit flat ni Solid Core na ipapakita sa ating screen ay for only 458. At 258, I'm sorry. Ang ating 450 grams to 258 pesos. For 5 packs na siya kasama doon. 5 packs na po siya. So ano po? So for the Okay. Yan po yung sa screen natin, yung ating product. Yan, 258 pesos po yung ating 450 grams. 5 packs na po yan. Just comment Solid Core 1, Mine Solid Core 1, para doon sa ating product. And para naman po doon sa ating 200 grams. Baliktad. Para sa ating 200 grams, 300 pesos naman po. 5 packs na din. So, just mention po, Mine Solid Core 1, 450 grams. Mine Solid Core 1, 200 grams for only 300 pesos. So, may 5 na po yung kasama sa loob. Yan. So, yung mga mahilig dyan magluto ng pansit, Meron tayong Mind Solid Core 1, isa daw po kay Mr. Seth Aguinilio. Mind Solid Core 1, 2 pieces po for Miss Beth. So thank you very much. Yan, meron na tayong mga parang alam kong magluluto na ng pansit mamaya or sa susunod na mga araw. Miss Betsy, thank you. Mind Solid Core 1 daw po. Yan, thank you. Mind Solid Core 1 also for Ma'am Angela Meliano. We will just verify po during the confirmation of orders kung anong size yung inyong order for Solid Core 1. Next product of Solid Core Food Products is the Pancit Round naman. Meron tayong round, which is the neutral flavor of Pancit Canton that's make it perfect canvas to play on flavors as you add other ingredients to achieve your desired pancit taste. So if you want this pancit na round, just comment Mind Solid Core 2 for only 258 pesos para sa 450 grams. 5 packs na po yan. And 300 pesos for the 200 grams, 8 packs po pala yung 200 grams. Ano po? So just comment Solid Core 2, Mind Solid Core 2 for this pancit round. Yan, ano po? Clear lang po, clarify natin. Ang ating 450 grams is 258 pero 5 packs. At ang ating 200 grams na worth 300 pesos ay 8 naman ang kanilang packs. So, if you want this one naman round, just comment Solid Core 2. Yan. Mind Solid Core 2. So, meron tayong mga minors. Basahin natin. Let's acknowledge. Meron tayo dito from Miss Roslyn Imperial. Hi, ma'am. Good morning. Ma'am, mention mo yung mga friends and co-teachers natin dyan sa CBS-UA. Mine Binita 1 daw, 2 po. Mine Binita 7, 2. And mine Binita 8, 1. Wow, dami ni ma'am. Share done. Thank you very much, Ma'am Roslyn. And also, we have a shout out po sa Caritas Cáceres Scholars. Sabi ni Ma'am Eva Ros Federis. Hello ma'am, good morning. Shout out po daw. Congratulations daw po kay OMG. Yan. So if you want that, just comment down po Solid Core 1 or Solid Core 2. Now we will proceed with our next product, si MYA Food Products. Ano po? Manufacturer po siya ng wine branded as Don Ramon. So, meron tayong wine dito which is the Don Ramon. Yung una natin is the Bignay Wine Classic which has, ito po ay 750 ml. Ano po? So, if you want this Bignay Wine Classic, just comment down Mine Don Ramon 1 for only 350 pesos. So this red wine with a smooth aroma likened to grape wine is made from local tropical fruit berry. It is safe to drink with 12% alcohol content and packed with potential health benefits from Bignay, which is known to reduce age-related neurodegenerative disorders, cancer, heart disease, and diabetes. So if you want this Don Ramon wine, Bignay Wine Classic, comment Mine Don Ramon 1. Mine Don Ramon 1. Yan, so baka may mga wine parties kayo, although bawal ang party, online lang. So yan, pwede nyo nang i-share yan sa mga local ninyong, sa mga friends natin online na you are parang sharing what the products comes to have. Yan, so Don Ramon 1 po for our Bignay wine ngayong umaga. Thank you, Ma'am Annalyn, for sharing.
Perfect sa may insomnia.
Yan. Ayan, perfect daw po ito sa may insomnia. Ano po, so parang gusto nyong mag-chill sa gabi. Ano po, before sleeping, so pwede kayong mag-take a sip with this Bignay Wine Classic. Hello po sa lahat watching from Bula. Yan, hello po. So now, next product tayo from Don Ramon. We have naman the Tamarind Wine. So, Tamarind Wine, 750 ml po. If you want this one for only 350 pesos, comment down Don Ramon 2. So this tamarind is a tropical fruit with many therapeutic properties and good for immunity. With this wine, you can enjoy its natural health benefits to improve the digestive system, reduce inflammation throughout the body, and boost the immune system. So ito po ang ating tamarind wine. Very elegant tingnan. Ano po, ang ganda-gandang i-display and i-share sa ating mga friends kapag tayo ay may bisita. So this is Mine Don Ramon 2 for only 350 pesos. Yan, so sa mga mahilig mag-wine dyan, i-mine nyo na ang wine. Yan, comment down, Don Ramon 2 for our tamarind wine. Now we will have the next product of MYA Food Products or known as Don Ramon, ang ating guyabano wine. So this is mildly sweet and smooth. So this guyabano wine is packed with high level of nutrients and antioxidant, which may help you regulate hormonal imbalance, prevents cramps, constipation, and urinary tract infection. This is worth 360 pesos, and if you want this to be at your home, comment mine Don Ramon 3. That's Don Ramon 3 for only 360 pesos. Yan. Pero tayo, thank you for mentioning your friends sa comment section. Ano po? Yan, just comment mine Don Ramon 3. Yan, mine Don Ramon 3 for our guyabano wine. Yan, thank you, thank you. Yan, next product na meron tayo kay Don Ramon naman, another wine, which is the pineapple wine. Yung ating pineapple naman is made from locally sourced pineapple. So talagang suportado nyo na ang ating mga local MSMEs at the same time yung ating mga local farmers. So if you want this one, comment mine Don Ramon 4 for only 350 pesos, 350 pesos. Very affordable versus our commercial brands na meron sa market. 'Di ba? Why not try yun naman yung mga local products natin? Malay natin, competitive pala talaga ang ating mga produkto. We're just not aware about that. So if you want to try this pineapple wine, nakakaiba na po. Bago sa pandinig, hindi masyadong common. Pineapple wine, comment Don Ramon 4 for only 350 pesos. Yan, comment down, mine Don Ramon from 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yan, maraming salamat. Larv Pop Go Organic Clear Rice Boost Spotted. Yes, mamaya ipe-present po natin yan sa ating rice brew. So yan, good morning po sa lahat. Thank you for sharing. Sweet wine please. Yan, sweet wine daw. Yung Big Night wine po, pwede daw po yun, ma'am. Ma'am Charlotte Arroyo. Pwede nyo na, ma'am. Comment ka lang, ma'am. Mine, Don Ramon 1 for our Big Night wine classic. Ano po? Mine, Don Ramon 4. Thank you very much, ma'am Ara Suarez Rotugal. Maraming salamat. Ito, pineapple wine ang minay ni ma'am. So, thank you very much. We will now proceed to the next product of Don Ramon, which is their Santol Guisado or branded as Emiago. Emiago pala po. Under MYA Food Products, this Santol Guisado is for only 120 pesos. Ano po? 120 pesos. If you want this product, just comment mine MYA1. Mine MYA1. Yan, for only 120 pesos. Tama, ma'am? Yan. Okay, I'm sorry po. Correction po pala. Okay, just comment mine MYA1 for only 165 pesos po pala. 165 pesos. Yan. Mine Solid Core 1 for Miss Roslyn Imperial. Ma'am, thank you very much po. Maraming salamat. And yan, ang dami nating mga nagtatag ng friends nila sa comment section. Mine MYA1 daw po for Miss Betsy. Thank you very much, Miss Betsy. Maraming salamat po. Yan, for the mine. Yan, yours na po ito. So, thank you very much. Now, we will proceed with our next product, which is coming from Maria E Food Products. Ito po galing mismo sa Naga City. Sa Naga City produkto. Meron tayo, ito ay ang kanilang crispy pili nuts with testa. So this one is made from your favorite crispy pili nuts seed coated with its testa. So taste the soft crunch of each pili kernel and delicious sweet, buttery texture and flavorful cocoa sugar as it melts in your mouth. It's just the right amount of sweet to help you balance your glucose levels and help you reduce stress. So for this product, this is worth 300 pesos. Just comment down, mine Mariae 1, MARIAE 1. So, Mine Marie 1, nasa ating screen po yan. So, just comment Mine Marie 1 for this product for only 300 pesos. So, ang ating pili is coated with chocolate. Ano po, so parang it tastes sweeter and also yung parang crunchy na product or yung ating crunchy pili ay malalasahan talaga natin with this one. Yes, perfect for gifts, Valentine's, Mother's Day, birthday, yan, ano po, or anniversary, or monthsary, or weeksary. Kung ano pa man pong sari ang meron tayo. So, ano po, so perfect. Kung may sari-sari store, perfect din po siya. Kaya din yung i-resell ang ating product. Ano po, yan, masarap daw. Sabi ni Miss Rouge Jean Claude, Mine Marie 1, PD Ed. Thank you very much, PD. Okay, meron tayo. Watching from Naga City daw po, Miss Jean Claude. Maraming salamat po. Mine MYA, 3 bottles po for Miss Eden Aguilar. Thank you very much, ma'am. Mine MYA 1 for Miss Angela Miliano. Yan, maraming salamat sa ating mga miners. Yan, acknowledge na po. And yours na, kukontakin na lang po kayo ng ating OMG team and ng DTI ComServe kung paano ninyo makiklaim at i-confirm ang inyong order. So, watching from Bulacan, good morning, Sir Jerem. Maraming salamat po for watching and also for sharing our live this morning. Okay, let's proceed with another product from food products. Diretso naman po tayo sa ating mga handcrafted bags from Manlalabak. Ako excited ako dito sa ating handcrafted bags in Manlalabak. Kasi ito pong si NNT Pagkamuot Arts and Crafts have created talagang special handcrafted and hand-painted na mga bags na meron tayo today. So itong mga next product natin is meron tayong mga stocks at the same time meron tayong mga specific product na paunahan tayo sa pagmamine. So nasa sa inyo na kung paano natin mamamine ang produktong ito. Yan. So, okay. So let's proceed with our first product. Ano na yun, ma'am? Okay. Okay, before po pala tayo mag-proceed with NNT Pagkamot. Okay. Let's first go to Consuelo Chito Madrigal Foundation po. Muna pala. So we have here the product of CCMF, ang Tabasi na product nila. So this Tabasi is for only 120 pesos. So comment down CCMF1 for this food product, ang kanilang Tabasi. Yan, from Consuelo Chito Madrigal Foundation. Yan, bago tayo mag-proceed sa ating next product na non-food, comment na po kayo ng CCMF1 if you want to have this Tabasi product. So, basta tayo, baka meron tayong mga miners. Hello everyone, watching from Tarlac City. Wow, ang layo, sir. Thank you very much for watching, Mr. Jose Marie Sanchez Palomeño or Ma Sanchez. Yan, so, I miss the food products. Sabi ni Sir Totoy, bakit daw palaging bags ang naaabutan ni Sir Totoy? Mag-mine ka na, sir, ng bag. Baka ito na ang sign kung bakit ito ang iyong lagi nakikita. Pero meron pa po tayong mga food products maya-maya, sir. Mag-shift lang tayo ngayon sa bag. So meron tayong mine CCMF1 for Miss Betsy. Yan. What is Tabasi daw po? Okay. Ang ating Tabasi is known as wait for a while, sir. Ang ating Tabasi. Mine CCMF po for Miss Sir Jose Palomiano. Wow, all the way from Tarlac. Thank you very much po for getting this product from Consuelo Chito Madrigal Foundation. So maraming salamat po. So now we will proceed na sa ating next product, which is the NNT Pagkamuot Arts and Crafts. So meron po itong 10% discount, ha. So discounted po itong ating mga hand-painted, handcrafted na mga bags. So let's start with a corduroy backpack. Ito ang ating, corduroy backpack. So meron tayong corduroy backpack. This timeless backpack is actually well stitched to carry everyday loads. Pwedeng sa office, pwedeng sa school, suitable for students who are always bringing a lot of things around. For example, laptop or yung kanilang mga documents. Yan, so may iba-iba po tayong color dito sa ating corduroy backpack. So if you want this corduroy backpack, just comment down pagkamuot 1. Mine pagkamuot 1 for only 360 pesos. 360 pesos na lang po ang ating corduroy backpack from its original price, which is 480. So ngayon, 360 na lang. Yan, minomodel ng ating digital marketing officer from OMG, ang ating isang corduroy backpack. So if you want this one for only 360 pesos, just comment down pagkamuot 1. So, meron tayo iba-ibang color niyan. Ma'am, ano? So, meron din tayo dito pong example. Like, for example, this one. Kung meron si ma'am na blue, meron din tayo nitong color green. Ano po? So, meron tayong iba't ibang design ni corduroy backpack. So, if you're interested po na bilhin si corduroy, just comment down mine pagkamuot 1. Mine pagkamuot 1 for only 360 pesos. Just mention sa comment kung anong color yung gusto nyo. Pwedeng blue, green, meron tayong dito parang mustard yellow, we have the brown, dark brown, we have a gray one, yan, and meron tayong orange na color. So mention nyo po yung bag na gusto nyo. Just comment, mine corduroy, mine pagkamuot 1 for only 360 pesos. So talagang handcrafted po itong ating mga products. So yan. Do you have body? I want the abo. Sir, mag-abang ka sir mamaya. Meron tayong product na abo body. Yan. So abangan mo yan sir maya-maya i-feature natin yan dito sa ating live. Mga anong items? Okay, meron po ang mga items natin po is locally made here in Camarines Sur and also around here in the province. So meron tayo from Bula, meron tayo from the food sector, also from wearables and home style. So mga local products po ito ng Kamsur Ma'am. Yan, meron tayong Mind CCMF po for Sir Seth. Ayan, okay, thank you very much. Yan, just comment pagkamot 1 ha, para sa ating mga bags. Yan, let's support local, go buy and go local and buy local. So maraming salamat. Okay, thank you for mentioning your friends. Now we will have our next product which is the floral backpack. Ang ating floral backpack naman po, ipipresent ni Miss Anne. May iba-ibang design din po siya. Ano po? So this is made with quality canvas, this floral backpack, and tote bag match bag your casual style. You can put many stuff around it. Pwedeng libro, laptop, or your beauty kits kung saan man tayo pupunta. Pwedeng habang tayo ay pupunta ng beach, sa pool. Yan, it is stitched to be durable and won't easily rip off. So talagang tinahi at pinalakas ang foundation. So kailangan malakas ang foundation ng kahit anong bagay, parang katulad ng sa relasyon. Okay, kasi nasa pagkamuot tayo eh. So for our pagkamuot 1, yan, thank you. Okay, for the pagkamuot, for if you want this product, just comment pagkamuot 2 for only 360 pesos. Yan, if you want this product, just comment mine pagkamuot 2 for only 300 pesos lang po pala, 300 pesos sa ating floral backpack. Yan, 300 pesos. So if you want this floral backpack and gusto nyo to compare dun sa corduroy, pwede po. Just comment mine pagkamuot 2. So naka-flash din po sa inyong screen ang ating mga designs na meron tayo. Now, we will proceed with a square tote bag. Yan. Ito pong ating mga tote bag is napaka ganda at napaka-unique. Ano po? So, kanina ko po ito nakikita, actually kahapon pa, and I'm really interested dahil ito ay hand-painted na mga tote bag. So, talagang special tong ginawa for our consumers or for our buyers. This one is worth 300 pesos. 300 pesos po ang ating tote bag na hand-painted. So, what are you waiting for? Kung ako sa inyo, imamind ko na to dahil talagang specially hand-painted ito para sa inyo today. So if you want this tote bag, just comment mine pagkamuot 3 for only 300 pesos. Diba? Ang ganda-ganda. Yan. So yan, if you want this one, ipakita ulit natin ma'am yung dagat. Yung may parang dagat ba yan? Or water, yan. Yan, this one is really nice. Yan, pwede nyo pong i-mine na ito actually ha. Just comment ko anong design para yours na po ito. So, mag-comment lang kayo ng mine pagkamuot 3 for only 300 pesos sa ating square tote bag. Hand-painted po ito ha. Talagang pininta dito sa ating tote bag. Yan, itong ating ibang design naman, ito flower. Meron tayong flower dito. Yan, so thank you very much. Yan, maraming salamat po sa ating mga nagko-comment. Ano po? So next, we will have the round beach bag. This round beach bag offers a lot of room for you to pack away easily. Yan, so kung gusto nyong marami kayong dala, papuntang dagat, this is the perfect bag for you. So for now, ito po ay this following 4 products, paunahan po kayo ng pagmamine. Let's ano muna ma'am, yung ating beach bag. Itong unang ating design, itong suot ni Miss Ann, yan po, just comment pagkamuot 4A. Pagkamuot 4A for this product. So, paunahan po tayo dito. Ang price po nito is 720 pesos from its original price na 900 pesos. Kaya, wow, very unique. Tsaka ang ganda-ganda tingnan po. Very attractive talaga. Kung kayo magdadala niyan sa dagat, ewan ko na lang kung hindi kayo pagtinginan ng ating mga kasama, di ba, ang mag-swimming. Napaka-nice. Sobrang nice. Hand-painted po ito, ha? Talagang ipininta po ito ng ating manufacturer para lang sa araw na ito. Okay, so just comment pagkamuot 4A for this beautifully hand-painted product. Yan. Okay, check natin. Baka meron tayong mga nagko-comment. Okay. Next, na-design naman po for our round beach bags is this one. Itong ating flower. Okay po. So, this flower naman po is also worth 720 pesos. So, if you want this one, mine pagkamuot 4B. 4B. Mine pagkamuot 4B for only 720 pesos na lamang po. Ano po? So very aesthetic tingnan. Kung suot-suot nyo to, di ba? While you are shopping, while you are going around the city or traveling, talagang feel na feel mong nagta-travel ka. Ano, di ba? Parang feeling kasama mo ang nature while traveling. So this is uniquely made. So talagang paunahan po sa mga magmamine ng produkto natin for this morning. Yan, yun ang ating pagkamuot 4B. Ano pong cloth ang ginamit sa ating hand-painted? Canvas po ba ito? Yes, it is a canvas one. So talagang effort, passion ang ibinuhos dito. Ano po? Canvas. Yan, meron nang nag-respond. Mine pagkamuot 3 with the body of water. Okay. Yung, eto ba? Okay. Yung ating tote bag. Yours na po, Miss Angela Miliano, ang ating tote bag. Okay, pa-screenshot na lang po, then share po sa aming messenger. Yan, pagkamuot 3 po ito, tote bag, pagkamuot 3. Yan, for Miss Angela Miliano. Wow, naunahan ako ni ma'am. Kanina po titingnan. But yours na po yan. Yan, thank you very much. So, meron tayo, okay, next. Mine, pagkamuot 4D. Pagkamuot 4D. May D na pa tayo? Wala pa tayong D, ma'am. Anong design po ito, Miss Charlotte? This one po is A. Itong ating parang nasa dagat. And then yung flower is B. Is this one po na nire-refer natin? D daw. D. 4D, please. Okay. Wala pa tayong D, ma'am, pero i-verify na lang po natin. Let's go with our pagkamuot 4C. Ang ating sunflower. For the C naman po, it's the sunflower. So this is worth 720 pesos as well. So talagang from 900 pesos, discounted na siya for 720 pesos. Okay po? Okay. So, ito ang ating pagkamuot 4C. Okay. So, 4C po. Mine na lang po sa ating pagkamuot 4C. Yan. 4C po ha. Okay. Parang nararamdaman kong may mag-uunahan sa susunod na produkto. Pero wait lang, ma'am. 4C. Ma'am Charlotte, can we verify if it's 4A, B, or C? Kasi wala pa po tayong letter D. Girl? Girl? Okay. Okay, sabi ni Miss Shay Abonita sa ating host, wow, thank you po. Sana gawing everyday daw ang payday live selling. Sana po everyday din ang payday. Okay po. Para naman lagi tayong may budget for shopping. Yan. Okay, meron tayo. Our next product, yung present po nating mga round beach bags is worth 720 pesos. Kasi meron pong nagko-comment if how much daw po. No, now we have this next product. Paunahan po tayo. Okay po. We have this round beach bag. Pagkamuot 4D. Pagkamuot 4D. Yan po. Yan yung ating next product. So this is uniquely made. So mag-mine na kayo. O yan. Comment mine 4D. Okay. Yours na po, Kimis Charlotte. Okay. Ma'am Charlotte Arroyo. Yan. Oo, siya na po talaga ang nagmay-ari ng ating design ito. Actually, this is very good, di ba? Ang ganda-gandang tingnan. Hand-painted na and anywhere pwede mo siyang dalhin. Like when you are at the mall, parang sobrang elegant niyang dalhin. Ano po? So thank you, ma'am. It's yours na po, 720. Sa mga interesado po sa ating mga tote bag, just comment po if you're interested. Then use the code na ginamit natin from A to D. Then we will inform naman ang ating manufacturer na mag-reproduce if possible ng ating produktong present. Kasi ito po is uniquely made for everyone. Mine pagkamuot 4A for Miss Angela Miliano. Yan. Okay, yung 4D for Miss Charlotte, 4A itong ating beach na hand-painted product is for Miss Angela Miliano. Yours naman, pa-screenshot po ulit ng ating product. Wow, di ba? Sabi ko nga napakaganda talaga ng mga produktong meron tayo. This is coming from Minalabak, ha? Dito lang yan, malapit sa Naga City. Yan, ang gaganda daw ng pagkamuot bags. True, ma'am. I truly agree with you. Yan, sabi naman ni Sir TJ, sana every month may online selling. Yan, pwede po. Pwede ninyo yan simulan sa inyong mga negosyo. Ano po? So, yan. Super nice, sabi ni Miss Charlotte. So, thank you very much po. Yan. Good morning from Miss Leia Pardinias. Magandang umaga po. Yan. So, yan. Galing na tayo sa round beach bag. Now, we will proceed naman sa ating next product, which is the crab beach bag. So, this crab beach bag spells fun and comfort, especially when you can put all of your essentials na dadalhin mo in one pack and go. It is a large and a catchy all bag to store all your belongings needed to enjoy the sun and the breeze. So this crab beach bag is worth 720 pesos from 900 pesos po yan, ha. Discounted and special price for today's activity. So this one is 720. Just comment mine pagkamuot 5 for our crab bag. Yan, mine pagkamuot 5. Watching po si Miss Tin Lizardo, the owner of the NNT Pagkamuot Arts and Crafts. Hello, ma'am. Shout out. Ang daming fans ng iyong product. Congratulations. Napaka-unique talaga. Isa yan sa ating KMME graduate dito sa DTI Kamsur. So, yan. Thank you. Yan. Thank you. Okay. Ayun na. Kasama pala natin si Sir. Thank you po. Ayan. May mga kudos to the artist daw. Kasama natin si Sir Nino Inigo Marasigan sa comment section. Husband ni Miss Christy. Yan. Atin pala. Christy. Sorry. Kulang. Yan. So, yan. So, thank you very much. Yan, di ba? Patronizing artistry. Salamat po, sabi ni Sir. For this one is mine pagkamuot 5. Yan. Next product tayo, we have the simple backpack naman for teens and very stylish po itong ating mga produkto. So, yung ating mga simple backpacks ay may iba't ibang design po para din sa iba't ibang personality na meron tayo. So, if you would like to have this product, just comment pagkamuot 6. Ang price po nito is 300 pesos. 300 pesos ang ating mga simple backpack. So, meron tayong pink, meron tayong blue, so meron tayong iba't ibang design. Just comment down if you are looking for a specific color and then we will just check sa ating stocks kung meron pong available. But if you would like to reserve na in advance, just comment down pagkamuot 6 for 300 pesos. 300 pesos po yan. Yan. Well done daw po for pagkamuot artist. The designs are amazing talaga. Yeah, amazing. Congratulations, Miss Teen and Sir Nino. Or yan, maraming salamat. And yan, meron tayo. Thank you so much daw po. Yan, well done pagkamuot. Okay. Now we will proceed with our next product, last product from NNT. Ito, isa din po itong mga matitibay na pwedeng pang-alternative natin sa mga eco bag. We have our floral eco bag. Ang ating floral eco bag, pwede nyong dalhin kung kayo ay mag-grocery. So, pwede itong alternative, di ba? Pwede din pag kayo ay pupunta ng dagat or mag-outing kayo. So, we have these floral designs na talagang vibrant and fun-looking products na pwede nating dalhin anytime, anywhere for only 180 lang po ito ha. 180. Comment pagkamuot 7 for this specific product. Mine pagkamuot 7 for our product from NNT Pagkamuot Arts and Crafts. Yan. So comment nyo na po if you are interested to have this product. Yan. Mine pagkamuot 7 for only 180 pesos. Yan. So, ito ay sustainable po, kasi pwede natin itong alternative sa plastic or sa mga ibang bagay. Kasi most especially ngayon, yung ibang groceries, ang ginagamit na is yung mga paper bags. So, paano naman meron tayong presentable and fashionable pa rin kahit nag-grocery? Buy nyo na ito, 180 pesos lang po ito, and it's washable. Yeah, durable, washable, anything. Yan. Hello, ma'am. Watching from Laguna. Hello po, Mr. James Francis Layosa Ignao. Hi, good morning po, sir. Yan. Mine pagkamuot 7 po for Miss Betsy Malsi. Yan, maraming salamat, Miss Betsy. Talagang ito si Miss Betsy is very, supportive. Ang dami nang naman ni ma'am. Thank you very much po for supporting our MSMEs. Yan. I'm just checking po kung meron tayong na-miss out na mga comments. Now, we will proceed with another food product. So, pause muna po tayo sa ating mga wearables na mga product. We will proceed with Siligaya food products from Naga City. First, we will have the Bicol Express and Turmeric Moringa. So, Sir Totoy, ito na yung mga food. Baka umalis ka na, sir, ha? Yan. Habang nagla-lunch po kayo, ngayong umaga, so magmay na po kayo nitong ating unang product, which is the Bicol Express with Turmeric and Moringa. Just comment down Siligaya 1 for 180 pesos. 180 pesos lang po ang ating Bicol Express na may mix ng turmeric and moringa. So this is inspired by a family recipe by Siligaya Food Products. So mouth-watering tropical spicy dish that will make you sweat with every spoon. Yan. Just comment down Siligaya 1 for only 180 pesos. Next product from Siligaya Food Products is their laing. Laing. Favorite ng mga Bicolana, laing. So this one is worth 180 pesos. Just comment down. Mine Siligaya 2. Siligaya 2 for this laing product. So the chili fingers give it a bit of a spicy taste but not overpowering. Just right even for those who are not used to the hot, earthy flavor. So if you're interested, just comment Siligaya 2 for only 180 pesos. 180 pesos po ang ating Siligaya product ngayon na pinipresent sa inyong screen. Now, we will have the next product of Siligaya. So, mga nagla-lunch ngayon, baka matakam kayo. Because this next product is a santol with turmeric and moringa naman na produkto. This is a mix of sour and salty taste placed in your mouth with every spoon. So this product is worth 180 pesos. So 180 pesos po ang ating santol na product. Just comment mine, Siligaya 3. Hello sa ating 66 viewers ngayong umaga. Yan. Thank you for joining us this lunchtime na habang nagla-lunch kayo, baka nakikita niyo yung mga food products natin. So this is another option na pwedeng meron kayo sa bahay or kung saan man kayo pumunta. Yan po ano. So just comment down if you're interested. Available pa po ba yung floral eco bag? Yes po, available po. Yours na po ba ito? Magmamine na po ba kayo, Miss Ara? I-mine mo na yan. Ayan, required na po. Joke lang. Miss Ara, i-mine mo na ito. Just choose which design from the two. Kung itong pink one or itong medyo may white color. Excuse me. Okay. So, available pa po siya. Just comment, ma'am, Pagkamuot 7 for only 180 pesos. Yan. Mine, Don Ramon 1. Wow! Don Ramon 1 for Ma'am Baby Brucal. Yours po, Ma'am, Don Ramon 1. Yan, Miss Ara, just inform us if you are going to get the, the floral eco bag na meron tayo. Oo, no joy reservers po tayo. Dapat tayo ay happy lang. Okay, next product tayo with Siligaya is the Kamyas. Kamyas product naman. So this creamy dish with a twist of moringa and turmeric gives you a mildly sour and salty taste with a fine milky texture compared to other Siligaya ready-to-eat dish. So if you want this one, this is only for 180 pesos. Comment Siligaya 4. Mine Siligaya 4. Yan. So, for Miss Ara, mine, pagkamuot 4, yung bright colors. Yung color white. Po ba yun, ma'am? Ako kasi nababrightan ako sa lahat eh. Hindi ko ano. Mention mo na lang, ma'am, if it's pink or white para ano po. Okay. Comment po dito sa ating Siligaya. Siligaya 4 for the Arcamias variant. Now, we will have yung ating known product din po sa Kamsur or sa Bicol, which is the Kinunot. Yung ating Kinunot is anywhere, anytime, pwede kang kumain ng Kinunot na surely namimiss natin. Especially na ngayon na nahihirapan tayo or wala tayong oras mamalengke at magluto ng Kinunot. So, this is worth 205 pesos. And comment mine Siligaya 5 for our Kinunot product ng Siligaya. Sobrang sarap po nitong ating Kinunot product from Siligaya. Nako, kung ako bibihira ako makakita ngayon ng Kinunot. So, kung gusto nyong makakita ng Kinunot, this is the one. This is the perfect one na pwede nyo nang i-mine. Mine nyo na today kasi baka naman makalimutan nyo or biglang yung na-miss yung flavor ng Kinunot. So, pwede po yun. Just comment Siligaya 5 for our Kinunot product. Yan. Now, we will proceed with our next product. Next product natin is the Sares Pili Nut Candy. So, punta naman tayo sa known product ng Bicol, which is the Pili Nut products. So, ang ating Pili Nut products, the first one is ipapakita natin sa screen, which is the Pili Cake. Yan, Pili Cake sa ating screen. So, yan, nakikita po natin yung ating pili cake. It is made with organic and locally grown pili nuts, so you'll taste the crunch when bitten. Each box is loaded with 10 pieces of mini pili cakes for family and friends to share. So, just comment Sares 1 for the product na pili cake. This is worth 144 pesos. 144 pesos sa ating pili cake. So, comment po kayo ng Sares 1 for our pili cake product. Yan. Okay, mine Siligaya 5, 3 bottles for Miss Eden Aguilar. Yours na po, Miss Eden, ang ating Siligaya 5 na Kinunot. Wow, talagang natakam si ma'am. Talagang 3 na ang kanyang binili yan. Kung ako din naman talaga magmamine, I'll make sure na marami na akong matitake home after this one. Okay, meron tayong next product naman from Sares, which is their Pili Sugar Coated Linga or Lenga. Linga, sorry. Foreigner. linga. So, pili sugar coated with linga. So, enough sugar coating was added to our organically grown pili and added sufficient toasted sesame seeds to add texture and flavor. So if you want this one, just comment Sares 2, mine Sares 2 for only 178 pesos. So yung sa ating mga nasa malalayo po, Wiship sa Ninja Van, yung nasa Bulacan, nasa Tarlac, nasa Cebu, nasa NCR or Metro Manila, yan, mine nyo na po itong ating product, mine Sares 2. Mr. Jose Palumanyo from Tarlac, Sares 1, mine Sares 1 daw po, all the way from Tarlac. Yours na po, sir. Yan, pangpasalubong items or pag na-miss nyo yung Pili products natin. Now we have the Pili sugar-coated nuts naman from Sares Pili Nut Candy. So this product is nicely coated to give you the beautiful crunch and sweet taste that surprisingly melts in your mouth. It is a delicious and guilt-free nut that is perfect snack or dessert after natin, di ba, mag-lunch. Like for example, ngayon nagla-lunch tayo, kahit kaunting bits lang, di ba, or kaya may bisita tayo sa bahay, iserve nyo lang in a plate. Talagang exciting na ang inyong magiging family gathering or inyong mga jamming. Mine Sares 2 daw po for Mr. Jose Palumanyo. Yours na, sir. Thank you. Mine Sares 2 for Miss Charlotte Arroyo. Yan, yours na rin po ang ating Pili sugar coated with linga. Tama po ba? Okay, so next product tayo for Sares Pili Nut Candy. It will be shown on your screen, the Bombones Pili Nut Candy. Ang ating Bombones Pili Nut Candy is made from delectable fine quality pili nuts. So, may quality talaga, kalidad talaga ang ating mga pili nuts na ginagamit dito. We filled it enough for the candy goodness in one pack because surely you will take pleasure in indulging a sweet, milky, and nutty taste. Yan. So, if you want this Sares 4 product, this Bombones Pili Nut Candy, comment mine Sares 4 for only 142 pesos. Mine Sares 4 for only 142 pesos. Yan. Comment nyo na po kung gusto nyo na itong ating Sares Bombones. Yan. Next product from Sares Pili Nut Candy is Mazapan de Pili. Ito pong pinapakita ni Miss Anne, ang Mazapan de Pili. It is a mixture of ground pili nuts, sugar, butter, and egg yolks. So, ito po ang ating isang produkto na talagang commonly na pinapasalubong natin sa ating mga bisita or sa ating mga kapamilya o kapuso o kapatid pa naman yan. Yeah. Okay, mine Sares 4 daw po for Miss Charlotte. Yung ating Bombones, yours na po, ma'am. Thank you very much for supporting our MSMEs. This is worth 65 pesos po pala ang ating Mazapan de Pili. Just comment mine, Sares 5 for the product. Yan. Okay. Now we have the crispy pili nuts ng Sares with honey. Yan. Crispy pili nut with honey. So, let's add this one, Sares 5. Comment mine, Sares 5 for only 214 pesos. So, with honey naman siya, yung ating pili nut candy. So, if you'd like to have that mixture ng pili nut, crunchy taste, sweet, and honey, comment Sares 6 for this product. Sares 6 for this product. Mine, Sares 6. Yeah. Okay, after sa ating pili, we will proceed sa ating pastries by Sweet Agnes, coming from Libmanan, Camarines Sur. First product na ating i-represent is ang ating instant chocolate. Ang ating instant chocolate po is a full-fat tablea chocolate base. You can easily make a cup of savory hot chocolate drink that will give you warmth as it keeps true and earthy chocolate taste. This is worth 72 pesos. Just comment mine sweet 1. Mine sweet 1 for only 72 pesos. 72 pesos lang po yan, ha. Meron na tayong chocolate drink or instant chocolate drink. Ayan, just comment down po yung ating produkto sa ating screen ngayon. Yan, so pinapakita ni Miss Anne. Yan, okay. Next product from Pastries by Sweet Agnes, we have the unsweetened tablea. This is a substitute to your chocolate base with our tablea that is refined with 100% unsweetened chocolate. So, pwede nyo po itong i-mine. Just comment sweet 2 for only 180 pesos. 180 pesos. Just comment sweet 2 for this unsweetened tablea.
150 na lang daw.
Ayan. Alin po? Okay. Ang ating... Okay, we have this one. Itong Maria E po na... Maria E natin na product from 300 pesos. Galing po sa ating Maria E food products. Ngayon po ay ito ay nasa 150 pesos from the 180 pesos from 300 pesos. Kaya if you're interested to grab this product, i-mine nyo na po itong ating crispy pili nuts from Maria E. Yeah, with testa itong ating product. 180 pesos. Yan po ano. So nag-discount pa ang ating product ngayong umaga. Yan, thank you very much Maria E Food Products. So just comment mine Maria E pala pa. Maria E 1 for 180 pesos.
Kay Ma'am Imelda del Rosario.
Yan, from Ma'am Imelda del Rosario. Thank you very much, Ma'am Imelda, for being generous. Yan. So ngayon po at this point of our live session or live payday selling, we will have a short break and then we will be back in a few minutes lang naman po. So wag po kayong aalis. Pwede kayong uminom ng tubig, pwede kayong mag-jingle para naman pagbalik nyo, makita nyo ulit yung ating mga local products. But before that, we will have a game after ng ating short break. So meron tayong game, so stay tuned dahil dalawang 50 pesos load ang ipamimigay natin at huhulaan nyo lang po kung anong produkto ito na especially that is presented to you yesterday during our day 1 of our payday live selling. So with this, I will have a short break and we will back in a while.
sa tungtabangan, maghanap buhay ang kasaralitan. OMG sa to ini, OMG sa to ini. Sa kasakitan sa tungtabangan, maghanap buhay ang kasaralitan. OMG sa to ini, OMG sa to ini, OMG.
And we are back! Yan! Hello po sa lahat ulit. We are back. We just had a short break. And at this point po, gusto ko lang i-acknowledge yung isa sa ating nag-mine kanina. Hindi natin nahabol basahin. Mine daw sa Sweet 2, One Piece dahil Violet. So thank you very much, Miss Violet of DTI. Yan. So ngayon po, meron tayong game. Meron tayong dalawang game na gagawin and pahulaan po ito and paunahan kung sino ang makakahula. So una nating clue is itong mga products na ito ay present kahapon or ating furniture kahapon. So if you have watched yesterday, pwede nyo itong mahulaan ng ating product. So for our first item, this product is actually packaged sa bottle. Ano po? So comment nyo lang kung ano yung mga gusto nyong hulaan. Anything random na papasok sa isip nyo, just comment that one dahil pwedeng kayo ang manalo ng 50 pesos load for this game. So ano po? So this is a bottled product and sourced out po ito mismo sa kanilang fruit farm. Yan. Sa kanilang fruit farm. So, kung anong kayong product ito, hulaan natin kung anong dun sa comment section natin. So, we're just waiting for the comments na mag-reflect. Hello sa ating 50 viewers ngayong umaga. Kasama natin sa kanilang lunchtime ngayong 12:35 ng hapon. Yan. So, comment nyo na ano yung bottled product na pwedeng finisher kahapon na galing daw sa isang fruit farm ng ating client. Yan, akala ko yun na yung comment. Shout out pala. Yan, okay. Comment nyo na po sa ating mga viewers ano ito. Kasi 50 pesos load din po ito ha. 3 days din itong only. May data ka na, may pan-text ka pa. Ayan. Ano po? So comment kayo ng inyong mga product na sa tingin nyo, this is a fruit product. Okay, baka masabi ko. Fruit product na galing mismo sa isang farm ng ating client. Bottled po siya. Ayan. It is high in nutrients, loaded with fiber, help with chronic disease, promotes a healthy gut, and strengthens your immune system. Ano kayang produkto ito? Nandito po yan sa loob ng ating mahiwagang basket ngayong umaga. Yan, dito po ang inyong 50 pesos load. So wala pa akong nakikitang nagko-comment. Wala bang may gusto ng 50 pesos load? Ayan. Meron tayong clue. Ang isang clue. Okay. Isa itong palaman. Palaman ito sa tinapay. Ayan. Pwedeng... okay. Meron tayong comment ngayon. Okay. Can we check and verify sa ating comment section? Sa ating team, meron tayong isang comment. Ano po? So, this one is pwedeng pang palaman, pang marinate, pwedeng flavoring sa juices, and also a salad dressing. Bottled product po ito. Dapat kumpleto yung pangalan, no? Tama, dapat kumpleto po yung product. Hindi po, kumbaga mas acknowledge ko yung kumpletong product. Ano po? So, we have a comment here, dragon fruit po for Miss Leia Pardinas. Okay, parang tama yung dragon fruit. Pero, meron tayong nakahula ng bottled products na yesterday. Congratulations, Miss Shay Abunita. Iyan, congratulations dahil nahulaan mo po ang ating dragon fruit jam. Yan, ito ang ating dragon fruit jam from Michaelis Integrated Farm. Raw mats po ay sourced out sa Calabanga mismo. Yan po, thank you, yan. mananalo ka po ng 50 pesos load. So, congratulations. We will just contact you po right after our live kung paano nyo makiklaim ang inyong load. Meron tayo nag-comment, mani, strawberry, mango jam, pinya, at syara. So, seller screen po tayo ha. Seller screen. Ang screen po na ginagamit ko ang basis natin ng pagbabasa ng ating comment. Doon po tayo magbe-base ng kung sino ang nauna. Ano po? Yan, meron tayong pineapple juice. Okay, may nag-mine. Benita 3 daw po for Miss Chelsea Kimson. Okay, so meron na tayong nanalo doon sa ating load, si Miss Shay Abonita. Yan. Congratulations po. Mayroon sana mga naghula ng jam, pero ang hinahanap natin ay dragon fruit jam. Now, our next product naman po, napapahulaan for 50 pesos load, ay isang classic product naman na galing mismo sa Tigaon. Ano kaya itong produktong ito na galing mismo sa Tigaon? Dapat po exact name ng product or variant ang hinahanap natin. Ano po? This is aesthetically attractive na dried, roasted, ground, and also formed into various shapes such as heart, or 3 tablets. So kung may nakita kayo kahapon na from Tigaon products na sineshape siya in a heart shape, so baka yun na po yung ating produkto na minimension ngayon. Yay! Happy si Ma'am Shea Abonita. Makakatawag na daw siya sa Planet Mars. Salamat daw po sa preload. Okay. Okay, meron tayo. Congratulations po. And nahulaan nyo naman itong ating second item. It is a product from Tigaon. Ano po? So, galing din po sa farm itong product na ito, and it is made 100% ng raw material na ginamit natin dito. It will give you an earthy, bitter, and a taste that is rich and filled with antioxidant. Ano kayong produktong may antioxidant? Fiber, and magnesium. So, hulaan nyo na po. Mag-comment na kayo kahit anything random na pwede nyong panghula sa ating second product. Ano ba itong ating product ngayon? Okay. Ang clue natin for this one is pwedeng inumin, pwedeng gawing snacks na ganyan. So, comment tayo ng ating loading pa ata ang ating comment. Yan, hulaan natin ang ating next product. Ito po hindi siya nakapalaman naman sa bottle. Ito ay nakapack. For example, parang ganitong packaging po tip ito. Yan, pwedeng itimpla, pwedeng i-brew. Yan, ang ating product na ito. Yan, pwedeng ilahalo sa pagkain. Yan, it is pure. 3 words po ito Pure blank blank. Okay. Pure blank blank. Ano itong blank blank na ito na pinapahulaan natin for our 50 pesos load? Wala pa sa aking sa screen ko na comment. Verify lang natin. Ano po? So, hulaan natin kung ano ang ating product na ito. Ito, famous ito sa ito ay nanggagaling sa isang puno. Yung raw materials nito na ginagamit. So, hulaan natin kung ano itong food product na meron tayo. We would like to acknowledge Father Frankie Iligoyo watching right now sa ating Payday Live Selling. Good afternoon, Father. Yan. Garudakol daw babakalon si Father ngayong hapon. Ano po? So, okay. Wala pa tayong nag-guess sa ating second item. Wala pang nakakahula. Comment na po kayo sa ating 58 viewers. 50 pesos load. Katulad kanina, nahulaan ni Ma'am. We have here from Mr. Melbert, Pure Tea Lives. Hindi po siya Pure Tea Lives. Pure blank blank. Ang unang letter po, familiar ito. Common, mahilig ang bata dito. Matamis. And talagang masarap. Honey, hindi po honey. Hindi tea leaves. Hindi... Aha, wala pa sa akin. Okay, we have here... Ayan, mapait po itong produktong ito. Mapait. Yan, meron tayong cacao chocolates. Cacao chocolate, malapit na. Pero gusto ko yung stronger eh. Gusto ko yung stronger na klase ng cacao chocolate. Pure blanc, ano kaya? Yan, pure raw honey, hindi. Honey bee, hindi. Ano pa? For 50 pesos load. Malapit na yung cacao chocolate. Napakalapit na. Pure blanc chocolate. O yan, pamigay na po yan ha. Pure blanc chocolate. Mapait. Ano ba yung klase ng chocolate na mapait? Diba? Yun na yun. Yun na yung sabihin nyo. Pure blanc chocolate. Yan, it's a variant of ng ating product from Tigaon. Ano po? Pure blanc chocolate. Ano ito? Pamigay na po itong 50 pesos load. Pure blanc chocolate. Yan. Ano ba yung mga pure tablea chocolate? Hindi po. Cacao. Okay, cacao po. Tama po. Pero kailangan yung kompleto pure blanc chocolate. Pero hindi cacao po Cacao yung raw material na ginagamit natin. Pure blanc chocolate.
Pure dark chocolate.
Pure dark cocoa. Oh, malapit na. Meron na tayong winner. Pure dark chocolate. Congratulations. Palang Acedim. Yes. Yes, congratulations. Muntik na yung pure dark cocoa. Yan, meron natin congratulations po, winner ng 500 pesos load. Meron tayong pure brewed chocolate, coffee chocolate. Ayun, muntik na si Ma'am Ara, pero naunahan ka po, tsaka si Miss Leia. Maraming salamat sa ating mga humula. So may 50 pesos load po kayong mamaya na marireceive or i-contact po kayo ng ating DTI provincial office. So ito po yung ating product ngayong napinahulaan natin from Hearty Harvest Food Products. Yan. Hearty Harvest Food Products. Pure dark chocolate variant ng kanilang produkto. Now, we will proceed with our next item after ng ating pag-games. We will proceed with our next item. Galing naman po ito sa Cremar Food Products. From Cremar Food Products. Yan. Ang ating unang product po ay ang ating pickled bamboo shoot or lambo. Ano po? So this one is packed in, it is an airtight mini jar to preserve it longer and for you to conveniently get a taste of its fisty kick whenever you want. So ang ingredients po nito ay bamboo shoot, pineapple, carrots, ginger, garlic, bell pepper, raisins, sugar, salt, and vinegar. This is worth 140 pesos. At dalawa po ang variant niya ng ating lambo. Meron tayong small and meron tayo nung large one. So yung small po is worth 140 pesos and yung ating large one is 170 pesos. So kung gusto niyo po itong makuha, just comment mine Namity 1 large, mine Namity 1 small for this product from Cremar Food Products. Yan. So, comment lang po kayo if you are interested na ma-mine ang ating lambo products from Cremar Food Products. Yan. Okay, we will proceed with the next item. Ang kanila naman pong pickled radish. Ang kanilang pickled radish is a perfect complement sa inyong spicy dish or roasted meats and even your fried dishes. Yan po. Ito ang ating pickled radish for only 140 pesos. Just comment mine Namity 2 shown in your screen. Mine Namity 2 for only 140 pesos ang ating pickled radish. Yan. Mine Namity 1 small for Miss Betsy. Thank you very much, Ma'am Betsy. Yan, okay. After ng ating pickled radish, we will proceed with our pickled bitter gourd. So, ang ating ampalaya naman ng Cremar Food Products. So, this is, if you hate the bitterness of a bitter gourd, don't worry dahil itong ating pickled is a bitter-free. So, reap the health benefits from fresh bitter gourd and are ready to eat pickled bitter gourd. So, for only 140 pesos, pwedeng mapasa inyo na po. Just comment mine Namity 3 for our pickled bitter gourd or ang ating ampalaya na product ngayong umaga. Ano po? So, ayan. Thank you very much. So, okay, comment lang po kayo ng mine if you want that product. Now, we will proceed with another non-food products na talagang kakaaliwan at pwedeng i-mine nyo na today. From Carao Craft Ventures. So meron tayo dito mga printed pouches ni Carao, which is designed naman ng mga donuts. So it is light, magaan lang po siya, and small na pwede nyo conveniently dalhin sa mga pockets nyo, sa mga bags nyo. So we've made it brilliant as well, and cute, with the cute patterns of donuts for a fan aesthetic. And of course, so you'll be able to see it easily. So this product is worth 90 pesos only. 90 pesos only. Just comment Karawan for our printed pouches donut designs. So comment lang po kayo anong color, pwedeng green, blue, orange, yellow, and meron din tayong color pink. Ano po? So comment Karawan for our printed pouches for only 90 pesos lang. May wallet na kayo. Ang kulang na lang ay ang laman. Diyan nyo na ilagay yung 10 pesos na change. Ano po? So yan, i-mine nyo na Karawan for only 90 pesos. Mine Namity 2 daw po, small, for Miss Chelsea Kimson. Thank you very much, Ma'am Chelsea. Yours na po ang ating Namity 2. Okay. Okay, para sa ating pouches, just comment Karawan for only 90 pesos. So, unisex po siya. Kahit sino pwedeng pwede. Pwede rin siya pang sa mga bata, di ba? Parang pwedeng dalhin nila na parang mga, kunyari, may mga ipon silang kakaunti, galing kinanay, kitatay, yan, pwedeng dyan nila ilagay ang kanilang mga naiipon. Yan, okay, we'll proceed with another product from Gainsa, Camarines Sur. So, itong ating product from Gainsa, Camarines Sur, ang ating unang presented product will be shown on your screen. Yan, ang ating man and women kneeling with pots. Ano po? So, yan, na-show po sa inyong screen. Sometimes it's the little things that makes a big difference in your home decor. This set of kneeling man and woman with pots is creative way to declutter. It can hold also small his or her trinkets. You can also put it on your dining table and use it as a cute tea light holder. Yan. This product is worth, ang ating price nito is 600 pesos para sa small one. Each po. Okay, 600 each. And pero pag isang set po siya is 1,200 pesos. Just comment mine Granny's one for this product. Mine Granny's one for this product for only 1,200 para sa set, and for the one set or yung iisa lang po is 600 pesos. Yan. So, i-mine nyo na po, Granny's one, perfect na pang design sa bahay natin na sa ating mga, like for example, sa dining or sa ating veranda. Yan. Hello po daw kay Sir Mike. Winner ang lineup. Yan. Very entertaining daw ang ating mga, entertainer. Okay. Okay. Okay, watching. Hello, Ma'am Bling Pasa. Good afternoon po. Another product is the Lover's Face with cement pots. So, meron tayo nitong actual dito sa office. Meron tayo, ito pong Lover's Face with cement pots is actually with the many cement pots that is recommended to those who love to care and creative showcase succulent plants in your indoor spaces. And yan, we would like to thank first our Provincial Director na bumisita sa amin dito sa live selling. Yan. Hello, PD. Thank you very much. Kanina, nagmamind si PD. Ngayon, nandito na. Very supportive. Maraming salamat po. Okay po. And, ingat po. And, for this product, the price is 960 pesos. Just comment Granny's 2. That's GRANNYS 2. Granny's 2 for this product. So, ang ganda niya po, very creative and talagang mapapalingon ka, po. So, if kunyari may partner ka, pwedeng impang regalo. So that parang ma-remember ka niya. Diba? Then, yan, sa screen natin, merong pwede kayong ilagay ng mga succulent plants na talagang magiging accent sa bahay natin. So, that's for only 960 pesos. Mine Granny's 2. Yan. Marahil na hapon daw po, Ma'am Rosana. Badjola. Good afternoon din po. Yan. Next product natin from Granny's is the Picasso Face with Concrete Pots. So it is shown on your screen ang ating third product from Granny's. This one Picasso Face display inclusive of 3 concrete pots as candle holders, so you can make your room feel warmer and more inviting with atmospheric light. So ito pong ating next product is worth for only 900 pesos po. 900 pesos. Just comment mine, Granny's 3. Wow. So talagang unique ang kanyang itsura and talagang magandang pang-disenyo po ito sa ating tahanan. Ano po? So if you'd like to have this one, just comment mine, Granny's 3. Yan. For our fourth product from Granny's naman po, we have a cactus stand with concrete pots. So get this cactus stand to match your nature-inspired interior updates. So you can make your room with 3 minimal mini cement pots. You have a cute display for your lovely succulent plants. And po, so pwede pa dito lagyan, ano po? So another pot dito sa likod. So this is worth 1,020 pesos. Just comment mine, Granny's 4 for this specific item. Mine, Granny's 4 for this specific item. Ano po? So, pwede itong pangregalo or pwedeng ilagay sa mga coffee table na namay na kahapon. Joke lang po. Okay po. We have another product from Granny's, which is the small cactus naman. Meron tayong small cactus product na nandito kasama natin sa office. Yan. Pwede din pong lagyan ng succulent plants. And the price of this is 480 pesos. Mine, Granny's 5 for only 480 pesos. Tsaka itong wood ang kanyang tawag dito? Layer, tama ba? Yung sa kanyang bottom na stand dito sa ating Granny's product. Now, we will proceed with our next product naman from Granny's, which is the umbrella candle holder. Meron tayong umbrella candle holder. This product naman po ay pwedeng ilagay naman sa inyong mga altar, for example. Ano po? And this is only worth, murang-mura lang po with this design, 300 pesos lang po. Just comment mine, Granny's 6 for only 300 pesos. Kung ako imamine ko na ito, ano po, sobrang ganda. And also, kung gusto niyo po na medyo, kumbaga, level up ang inyong altar, pwedeng-pwede po itong magamit sa inyong bahay. Just comment mine, Granny's 6 for this umbrella candle holder for only 300 pesos. 300 pesos. Yan, meron na. Mine, Granny 6 for Miss Jana Tejada. Thank you very much, ma'am, for the mine. Yours na po ito. Yan. Okay. So, thank you very much po. Now, we have another product from Granny's. Ang ating angel candle holder naman po. Angel candle holder na makikita natin here. Yan. Hindi. Okay, so meron tayong angel candle holder dito. Kung kunyari may large candle tayo, yan, pwede nating ilagay. Pwede din ito during Christmas time, pwede din sa mga events. So this is only worth 300 pesos. Just comment Granny's 7. Granny's 7 for only 300 pesos lang po. 300 pesos. Gawa po yan mismo sa Malbong Gainsa. Dala sa inyo ni Granny's Corner Arts and Crafts. Yan. Comment lang po, Granny's 7 for only 300 pesos. Okay. Next product naman natin, another one from Gainsa, pero transfer po tayo sa food products, which is the crab paste from Kagbunga Crab Paste Association of Gainsa, or also known as Casa Gainsa. So this is a bursting with tasty crab flavor and ready to eat na po itong ating crab paste. This is perfect for those who love seafood but do not want the hassle of cracking shells. So ito po ay worth 144 pesos, and just comment mine, Casa Gainsa 1. Casa Gainsa 1 for this crab paste, galing mismo sa ating mga producers and mga women of the association sa Gainsa. kagbunga crab paste. Ano po? So, imay nyo na po ito for only 144 pesos. Kasagain sa 1.
Sa crab rice.
Yes, perfect sa crab rice. Pwedeng ihalo sa, di ba, sa rice, ma'am, no? Para may variety yung inyong rice. Yeah, so just comment if you're interested sa ating product. Ma'am Betsy, yours na po. Kasagain sa 1. Thank you very much po. Now, we have another product na iprepresent naman from NT Velasco Food Products from Pili, Camarines Sur. This one is an instant salabat with turmeric. So itong ating traditional Filipino ginger tea is now in an easy and resealable pouch for your convenience. So known for a remedy po yan sa sore throats, coughs, colds, or upset stomach. So kung medyo feeling nyo ay magkakasakit kayo, pwede nyo po itong inumin. Ano po? Protection na din siguro in advance versus the virus that we have right now. So pwede nyo itong i-grab. Just comment MT1 for only 234 pesos na lang po ang ating instant salabat with turmeric. Just comment mine MT1. Yan. Mine crab paste po for Miss Rosana. Yours na po. Miss Rosana Badjola. Yan. Yours. Yan, 34 pesos po ang ating MT Velasco na instant salabat with turmeric. Yan. Okay. And don't forget po sa ating mga viewers this afternoon, meron pa po tayong dalawang winners ng 100 pesos load. Maya-maya i-announce natin sa mga sharers. So magra-raffle po tayo sa ating mga sharers. So don't forget na i-share ang ating live for this afternoon and comment, share done, and make your share public para naman po sa amin ay nare-recognize kayo as sharer. Yeah, next product po tayo. Punta naman po tayo sa Libmanan, galing Pili. Ano po? So we will now have the manufacturer of the best-selling chips in Libmanan. Kahapon pinagkaguluhan po itong product na ito. From Emerence Sweet Delights. So meron tayong unang product ni Emerence which is the banana chips. So this is a crisp and sweetened with locally sourced honey that is deep fried, thin sliced banana chips that is healthier alternative to your casual bag of junk food. So pwede itong alternative, perfect alternative for our junk food. Yan, just comment mine Emerence 1 for only 60 pesos. Yan, 60 pesos na lang po ang ating Emerence 1. And, yan. So, just comment mine Emerence 1. Wala po kaming crop top, ma'am. Ano po? So, we have bags. So, pwede po kayong mamili ng bags. Now, we have another product from Emerence, which is the taro chips naman po. Kung meron tayong banana chips, meron tayong taro chips. So, this taro chips is sprinkled with sour cream flavor or powder. Emerence taro chips with starchy, crisp texture is something light yet flavorful for your taste bud. So, may tatlong variety po si taro chips natin. We have the original, the sour cream, and the cheese flavor. Yan. So, tatlo po ang variety ng ating Emerence taro chips. So, just comment mine Emerence 2 for only 60 pesos. Mine Emerence 2 for only 60 pesos. Just comment po kung Emerence 2 original, Emerence 2 sour cream, or Emerence 2 cheese. Yan. Mine banana chips, yours po, Miss Rosana Badjola. Hello po, Ma'am Imelda Del Rosario. Good afternoon po sa inyo. Now, we have the third product from Emerence Sweet Delights, the kamote chips naman. This kamote chips is sliced and deep fried also and locally sourced ha, yung honey natin dito sa Camarines Sur. So, it is a combination of your sweet delight and it is also the best seller from Emerence. Ang ating kamote chips for only 60 pesos. Just comment Emerence 3. Mine, Emerence 3. Yan. Perfect po itong alternative for junk foods. We have mine, Emerence Sour Cream. Mr. Sana, yours na po ang ating Emerence Sour Cream. Yan. Let's proceed with another product ngayong hapon, which is the ICAS Food Products. Si ICAS Food Products po has a two variety of products, which is the peanut butter and ang kanilang coco jam. Ang ating peanut butter po for now have two varieties. Meron tayong smaller one and meron tayong bigger one.
Naka-discount.
So, discounted price po ito. From 60 pesos, 54 pesos na lang po ang itong ating small, while this one is from 144, 130 pesos na lang po. If you want to have this creamy special peanut butter, just comment ICAS 1. Ako tested and proven ko na po ito and sobrang sarap talaga ng ICAS na special peanut butter. So if you want this one, just comment mine, ICAS 1. Just mention kung smaller one or yung ating bigger one. So, mine Amaranth Original for Miss Rose Ortua. Yours na po. Mine ICAS 1 for Miss Rose de la Trinidad. Yours na po. Mine Amaranth 2 Sour Cream and Amaranth 3 for Miss Chelsea Kimson. Yours na po ang mga produkto. Now, we will proceed after ng ating peanut butter. Ano po? We will proceed with another palaman na pwede niyong piliin with this, the Coco Jam Pili Overload. Ang ating Pili Coco Jam Overload is packed with real pili nut slices. Totoong pili nuts po ito ha, walang halong biro. Yan. If you want this one, just comment ICAS 2 for only 162 pesos galing sa kanilang original price, which is the 180 pesos. Comment ICAS 2. Kung ayaw nyo po ng peanut butter, then you have an alternative, which is the Coco Jam ng ICAS Food Products. Mine ICAS 1 for Sexy Model of DTI. And also, we have ICAS 1 big for Mr. Kem Obrique C. Yeah, yours na po. Kay Ma'am Ann Asido. Okay. Ko-contact na lang daw Miss Ann sa'yo. We have mine Amaranth 3, isa lang po for Mr. Ray Perez. And one, okay, thank you very much po. Thank you. So, we have presented the products of ICAS. Now, let's go back to Libmanan. And ito naman ang ating isang proud na product from Libmanan, which is their Brown Rice Brew ng ating DWS Food Product. So, si DWS Food Product po ay galing sa Libmanan and they have this variety of rice brew. Meron silang nasa pack, meron din po pouch, meron din po silang nasa jar or bottle. Ano po? So, ngayon, this product is available, yung ating nasa pouch is for only 78 pesos, while yung ating nasa jar is 90 pesos. If you want to have this brown rice brew product, just comment mine DWS1. So, kung naghahanap kayo ng alternative coffee or drink in the morning, yan, perfect po itong ating brown rice brew. And actually, it's a whole grain that contains the bran and germ, which provides fiber, vitamins, and minerals. So, it is natural aid for constipation. So, kung kayo po ay madalas na constipated, then this is perfect for you. Yan, mine DWS 1. Mine DWS1. Meron tayong bigger pa po, which is the 132 pesos po siya. So, comment na lang po kay DWS1 pouch, DWS1 smaller bottle, or DWS1 or big bottle, or ang tawag dyan?
Rice brew.
Yan, yung aking rice brew for this afternoon. Tingnan lang po natin. Meron pa pong Mine Amaranth 3. Yan, isa lang. Mine Amaranth 2 Sour Cream for Mr. Ray Perez. Okay. So, mine na lang po ng ating mga rice brew. Now, we will have another rice brew, pero meron po siyang touch of turmeric. So, this is added with turmeric, medicinally used to treat stomach and liver ailments. So, kung gusto nyong ma-improve ang mood and body condition with every sip, grab nyo na itong DWS rice brew with turmeric for only 130 pesos. Just 132 pesos for this product. Just comment DWS2. Mine DWS2. Yan, shown also at your screen. Ano po? Okay. Kung gusto niyo po ng ating product, hello po sa ating 47 viewers. Okay. We will send you also a message po regarding your orders. Ano po? Now, we have another product naman all the way from Bonbon. ang ating Siyempre Agrarian Reform Beneficiaries Organization. Meron po ang ating mga farmers na produce na mga product which is here presented natin. Ano po? So may iba't ibang variety po siya. We have a banana chips barbecue. If you want this banana chips barbecue, just comment mine for only 60 pesos. Mine Sarbo 1. Mine Sarbo 1 for this banana chips barbecue flavor. Yan, flavor. Yan, mine Sarbo 1 for banana chips barbecue flavor. And for our second variety, naman ay ang banana chips sour cream flavor, just comment Sarbo 2 for only 60 pesos. 60 pesos lang po itong ating mga chips. Mine Sarbo 2 for the banana chips sour cream flavor. Okay. We have another variant which is the banana chips cheese flavor. The code is Sarbo 3 for only 60 pesos. So kanina barbecue, sour cream, ngayon naman cheese. So if you want this one cheese naman ang banana chips niyo, comment down mine Sarbo 3. Mine Sarbo 3. Yan. Location po, ang pick-up po ay i-contact na lang po kayo with regards to the shipping and also for the pick-up. Banana chips classic flavor naman po, mine Sarbo 4. Kung yung gusto yung classic flavor ng inyong banana chips, then i-mine nyo na po itong Sarbo 4. Mine Sarbo 4 for only 60 pesos. Pero kung gusto nyo po lahat ng variety ng banana chips ni Sarbo, then i-mine nyo na po ang 1, 2, 3, and 4. So, para perfect choices ang meron kayo for your snacks and movie dates with the family. Yan. Just comment na lang po kayo if you want that chips. Ano po? Sarbo 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, we will proceed with another non-food product which is the Rich Herbs, TYLG Herbal Industry. Ano po? So, we have first yung ating una. So, kung kayo ay medyo nagpapahinga ngayong weekend or after work, you can actually buy these products na pamparelax sa inyong mga gabi. So, we have here the massage oil, 21 in 1 na ating product na it is a blend of herbal extract and essentials that help you relieve your stress. Yan. So, kung medyo na-stress tayo, mag-grab lang tayo nito ng massage oil for only 240 pesos lang po ito. So, 21 in 1 na po ito. So it brings you to the when you go to the spa, and then have them apply this to you para ma-pamper and ang sarili nyo. So just comment Rich Herb 1. So that's shown in your screen ang ating code. Mine Rich Herb 1 for only 240 pesos. Yan. Mine Rich Herb 1 for 240 pesos. Okay. Now, we have another product from Rich Herb, which is the Golden Turmeric Rub. Yung ating Golden Turmeric Rub naman po is it reduces your body and joints pain with Rich Herb Golden Turmeric Rub. So, it helps relieve inflammation and swelling while soothing your aches. Ano po? So, kung medyo may mga masasakit-sakit sa mga joints natin, pwedeng ilagay itong Golden Turmeric Rub. Just comment Mine Rich Herb 2 for only 120 pesos lang po ito. So it suits yun nating mga sakit sa kasukasuan. So i-mine nyo na po ito. Mine Rich Herb 2 for only 120 pesos. So Miss Chelsea, DWS 1 pouch for Miss Chelsea Kimson, yours na po. Mine Rich Herb 1 for Miss Betsy. Thank you very much, Ma'am Betsy. Maraming salamat. Next product from Rich Herb is the Lavender Rub. Yung ating Lavender Rub ay ginagamit to lessen your muscular cramps, body or menstrual pain, back rashes, bruises, and swelling also. It is a soothing and calming effect to your senses. This lavender rub is only for only 192 pesos lang po. So mine Rich Herb 3 for this lavender rub. Mine Rich Herb 3 for this lavender rub. So yan, i-mine nyo na po ito para sa inyo na. Okay. Next from Rich Herb is Aromatherapy Roll-On. It has a variety of cacao, lemongrass, lavender, and sweet orange. So ito pong pinipresent ni Miss Ania na po yung ating aromatherapy roll-on na yung ating cacao can help with issues such as depression, stress, blood pressure, and heart concerns. Yung lemongrass naman can relieve nausea. And also, the lavender is commonly used for aromatherapy that it promotes good mood and also relieves pain. So if you want this one, just comment mine Rich Herb 4 for only 250 pesos. Mine Rich Herb 4 for 250 pesos. Yan. So kung gusto nyo po ng mga pamparelax, this is the perfect product na meron tayo from TYLG Herbal Industry or Rich Herbs all the way from Iriga City. Yan. Next, we have another product from Lirag. Yan. But before that, we would like to acknowledge Father Egus Dazal ang nanonood ngayong hapon. So, good afternoon, Father. Good afternoon. Baka pwede nang mag-mind si Father ngayong hapon. Ano po? Yeah. Egoy, I'm sorry. Father Egoy Brazal. Ayan. Maraming salamat po for watching this afternoon. Now we will have another product from Bula, which is from the Lirag Agrarian Reform Farmer Beneficiaries Cooperative. Meron silang rice brew na lemongrass flavor. Ano po? Lemongrass flavor ang ating rice brew. So the price of this one is 72 pesos lang po. So if you want this one, just comment Lirag 1. Lirag 1 for only 72 pesos. Yan. Okay. Comment Lirag 1 for this rice brew lemongrass flavor. Yan. Okay. We have another product from Minalabak, from Verdant Agriculture Cooperative. So may dalawa po silang klase ng produkto na kung naghahanap po kayo ng mga cacao nibs at tabrilya puro, ito na po yung perfect na pwede nyong bilhin. We have here first the tabrilya puro. Ito pong ating tabrilya puro is worth 150 pesos. So 150 pesos po ang ating tabrilya puro. So if you want this one, just comment Verdant 1. Verdant 1. So ito po ay flavorful with a great energy booster na pwedeng makatulong din sa diet ninyo as an healthy drink. Ano po? Mine Verdant 1 for our tabrilya puro. So nakikita din po yan sa ating screen. Ano po? So mine Lirag 1 daw po for Miss Betsy. Maraming salamat Miss Betsy for supporting ha. And also, next from Verdant is a roasted cacao nibs. So if you want this naman, para siyang mga tawag dito, mga bean, coffee bean, similar to coffee bean po ito. Roasted cacao nibs po ito with a bitter yet and chewy texture of unsweetened dark chocolate. If you want this one, just comment Verdant 2 for only 186 pesos. 186 pesos lang po ang ating Verdant 2. Roasted cacao nibs. Ano po? So mine daw po, Rich Herb 2 for Miss Chelsea Kimsan, yours po. And thank you from Love Fargo Organic Lirag. Yan, no worries po. We love supporting our farmers. Yan. Okay. Next, we have this another chip na pwede nyong gamitin sa inyong mga snacks. Ano po? So, another chip from My Ogob Agrarian Reform Cooperative, we have this sweet potato chips naman. Itong ating sweet potato chips is good for only 60 pesos. Very affordable na snack. And at the same time, nakatulong pa tayo sa ating mga farmers and MSMEs. So ito po ay just comment Potato 1 for this product for only 60 pesos. I-mine nyo na po yung ating potato chips dahil for sure, good alternative ito sa ating mga french fries. Ano po? So pwede nyo rin po itong gamitin and ipang snack sa bahay. Baka magustuhan din ng ating mga junakis. Yan. Okay, just comment mine, Potato 1. Okay, ano po? Okay, we have another product from JMPQ Herbal Products or Herbal Products from Balatan. Wow, all the way from Balatan ang ating product this afternoon. It is sourced from their turmeric and ginger farm in Balatan mismo po. First, we have the turmeric tea. Ang ating turmeric tea po is worth ang ating turmeric tea is worth 180 pesos. Just comment mine, GMPQ1 for this turmeric tree. So, ito po ay pwedeng inumin that may reduce your arthritis symptoms and help manage irritable bowel syndrome or IBS. So, if you have those na mga nararamdaman, mga konting nararamdaman o dinidibdib, pwede na po kayong mag-grab nitong ating turmeric tree. Just comment JMPQ1 for only 180 pesos. Mine potato chips for Miss Rosana Badjola. Yours po, ma'am. Yan, thank you very much. And don't forget po to share this live and comment, share dan. Baka makahabol pa kayo dun sa mananalo ng 100 peso load. Okay, next product from JMPQ Herbal Products is their 4-in-1 herbal tea. Ano po? 4-in-1 na herbal tea nila. This herbal tea may also strengthen the immune system and increases the antioxidant capacity of the body. Yan. So this is worth 180 pesos. 180 pesos. Just comment mine, JMPQ2. Yan. So ang sarap-sarap ng tea natin dyan sa screen. Parang nakakauhaw. Mine, Benita 6 for Miss Ami Brusas. Yours na po, ma'am. And also, share dan. Thank you very much. Yan, nakahabol pa po yung inyong share. Baka makasali kayo sa ating 100 peso load raffle. Okay, thank you very much. Yan po ang mga produkto ni JMPQ. Just comment JMPQ1 or 2. Nakapunta tayo sa ating mga fish products naman. All the way from Calabanga. Meron tayong fish products. Kaya yung kay Sir kanina, all the way from Tarlac. Meron tayong produktong i-represent ngayon. First is the Kit-Kit. With 100 grams. So, Kit-Kit or espada dried fish. Small size na espada. Ang bango-bango talaga. Seryoso po, ang bango, nakakagutom. Kahit alauna na, nakakagutom pag naaamoy natin yung mga fish products natin. So, this is worth 114 pesos. And just comment DYH1 to have this one. Ano po? So, pwede itong panggabi, di ba? Pag minsan nahihirapan tayo, ano na naman kayong i-dinner natin? Anong for lunch, di ba? Tapos sabayan nyo pa ng other products like mga, for example, mga pinakurat na suka. Yan, mamaya may i-present tayo. So, this is DYH1. Mine DYH1 for 114 pesos. Yan, mine DYH1 for 114 pesos. Okay. Next product is the boneless pagutpot, which is 100 grams naman po. So this one po is boneless po siya and no need to worry na maghimay kayo ng bones. This is for only 90 pesos. So ang ating boneless pagutpot, just comment mine DYH2. Mine DYH2 for our boneless pagutpot na 100 grams. All the way from Calabanga po siya. Ayan.
Silver ka.
Oh, ang English niya is silver. Silver. Basta silver fish. Okay. So we have another product from Calabanga which is the Bulinaw. 100 grams din po siya. And it is a fish also found in San Miguel Bay. Ano po? So this is worth 102 pesos. Just comment DYH3. DYH3 for our Bulinaw. Ano po? So very siya. Madami po siya dyan sa atin sa San Miguel Bay. So mine DYH1 for Ma'am Marie Monje. So yours na po. Mine DYH2 from Ma'am Betsy. Yan, yours po ang ating product. Now we have another product. I-show po sa inyong screen ang ating dilis na sobrang sarap. Po, 100 grams po ang ating dilis for only 42 pesos lang po yan ha. 100 grams na yan. So mine DYH4. Diba? If you want to fry it, kunyari may mga may mga samgyupsal night. Diba? Pwede yan i-fry, yung may sugar coating and all. Natakam tuloy ako. So, mine DYH4 for only 42 pesos. 42 pesos lang po ang ating DYH Dailies. Ano po? Okay, next product is the boneless abo for 100 grams po for only 102 pesos. So, perfect po ito sa may mga allergy na hindi pwedeng kumain ng seafood. So, i-mine nyo na po ito using the code DYH5 for only 102 pesos lang po ito. 102 pesos. So, mine DYH5 for the boneless abo, which is 100 grams naman po ang kanilang weight. Okay, meron tayong mine DYH4 for Miss Betsy. Yan, yours na po, Ma'am Betsy. Okay, na-mention ko na ata ito earlier. Okay po. Next product from DYH is the boneless pagutpot, which is in 100 grams din po. So, this is also abundant in San Miguel Bay and also... okay, naulit po ata. Okay. Meron tayo 900 pesos. Okay, sorry po. Na-repeat lang po sa aming listahan. Next product po tayo, ang BT for 50 grams. BTS. Hindi po, BT lang po ito. Ano po? So, for only 90 pesos, you can have this. Just comment mine, DYH7. DYH7. Ang ating BT. So, it's a gallbladder of abo, crunchy na parang chicharon pag niluto and also rich in vitamins. DYH7 for only 90 pesos. So, mine DYH5, 2 pieces for Ma'am Betsy. We also have mine DYH4 for Miss Chelsea and mine DYH5 for Ma'am Marie Monge or Monge. Okay. Thank you very much po for supporting our fish products in Calabanga, Kamsur. Now we will have another product na perfect pang kasunod ng ating mga dried fish products. Ang Rancheros Farms Pinakurat Hot and Spicy Vinegar. So meron po silang itong product nila. Just comment Rancheros 1 if you want this Pinakurat Hot and Spicy Vinegar. So yung mga nag-mine kanina, pwedeng mag-mine din itong ating Pinakurat na Hot and Spicy Vinegar for only 144 pesos. Just comment Rancheros 1 for only 144 pesos. Yan. 144 lang po ang ating Pinakurat from Rancheros Farm in Naga City. Yan. Sobrang sarap. Okay, next. We have another non-food naman po tayo. Transfer tayo sa non-food. Balik po tayo sa mga bags and slippers kung naghahanap kayo ng mga bags and slippers. Now we have from St. Dominic Women Handicrafts sa Malbong, Gainsa. They're Otop in Gainsa. We have the Rabas Fashion Bag. The Rabas Fashion Bag is only for 600 pesos. 600 pesos lang po ito. So it is more than a luxury. It is something that will be beneficial and useful para sa inyo. Yung materials na ginamit natin dito is buhi, fabric, and fully fine canvas. Ano po, just comment Rabas 1 for only 600 pesos para mapasa inyo na po itong ating produkto. Okay, Ma'am Betsy, mine Rancheros 1 daw, and mine Rancheros 1 also for Ma'am Marie. Thank you very much po. Okay, this bag naman po is only 600. Just comment mine Rabas 1. Okay, next from St. Dominic Women Handicrafts is their Rabas Plant Box. Ano po? So this plant box is made out of natural, durable, and breathable items. This means that the plant's roots can actually breathe and are not too restricted. So ito po yung ating actual sample na meron dito ngayon. If you want this one, you can have it by commenting mine Rabas 2. Mine Rabas 2 for only 120 pesos. 120 pesos lang po ito. Pwedeng ilagay nyo po yung pots nyo dyan para naman mas elegant ng tingnan yung ating mga plants sa bahay. Just comment Rabas 2 for only 120 pesos. Okay. So, meron tayong large one and a smaller one. Now, we will have the Rabas round bag naman. So, ang size po nito ay 10 inches, okay? 10 inches by 10 inches by 4 inches. So, ang color po nito is maroon. Itong i-represent natin, yung nakikita natin sa screen. So, this one is worth 600 pesos. And you can have it by commenting Rabas 3. Mine Rabas 3. Yan para sa ating mga viewers ngayong hapon. Mine Rabas 3 for our Rabas round bag. So ang materials na gamit po dito is buri, tulifine, canvas, fabric, and flower crochet na nakikita natin sa harap. Ano po? Okay. Next product that we have is the Rabas slippers naman. Punta naman tayo sa slippers, di ba? So it is created with local materials and by local artists also in Gainsa. And the slippers have this traditional look to them because the materials used are natural. The slippers are comfortable and very light lang po siya. The material used in this one is buri, fabric, and flower crochet na design. This is only for... Ang price nito po is for only 162 pesos. Just comment Rabas for our Rabas slippers. Diba? Ang elegant niyang tingnan. Locally made ng elegant pang tingnan. Pwede sa pambahay. Ano po? Pwede sa loob ng bahay. Para fashionable pa rin kahit naka-work from home. Diba? So, pwede nyo na pong i-mine. Just comment Rabas 4 for this one. Mine Binita 8 po for Miss Ami. Thank you very much po. Okay, so after natin from St. Dominic sa mga bags, fashion bags, plant box, and slippers, we will proceed with this Soros Dimlight Handicraft. So kung naghahanap kayo ng mga pang-accent sa bahay, paglalagyan ng mga para sa ilaw nyo, para level up, we have this Coco Animalia Turtle, which is the handcrafted turtle Coco lamp piece from the Animalia collection of Soros. So this one, aside from being an accent display during daylight, this is also a good at night when you want the ambient light around the house. So yan, shown on your screen yung ating product. From 1,800 pesos exclusively today, you will have it at 1,560 pesos na lang po. So handcrafted po ito ha. Parang pinuhos ang passion and effort ng ating mga manufacturer for this one. So this is their Coco Animalia Turtle. Just comment Mine Soros 1 to have this Coco Animalia Turtle for only 1,560 pesos na lang po. 1,560 pesos. Okay. If you want that or if you want another variety, we have this Coco Rafflesia. Ang ating Coco Rafflesia naman po is an intricately handcrafted Coco lamp. Ano po? So talagang kakaiba siya and very elegant, especially if it is used at night. So just comment Soros 2 and you will have it at 1,250 pesos na lang po. 1,250 pesos na lang po for this Soros Coco Rafflesia. Just comment Mine Soros 2. So perfect po ito sa ating mga dining table or kaya sa labas. Like for example, or sa mga altar natin, yan, pwede po ito. Okay, we have the third product from Soros Dimlight Handicrafts. This one is the coconut hanging lamp. So pwede po dito yung ating 5 bulbs na gamitin. Ano po? So pwedeng 5 bulbs po ang ilagay natin dito. And it is pwedeng ilagay like for example sa wall, sa garden natin. Ano po? So yan, show na your screen kanina yung ating coconut hanging lamp na kapag ginagamit siya sa gabi or kapag pinapailaw siya. So this is an order this traditional chandelier with a creative twist for only 3,000 pesos flat. Meron na kayong ganito ka-unique and very elegant Soros light paggabi or sa inyong bahay na pwede nyo idagdag. Just comment Soros 3 to have this one for only 3,000 pesos po. 3,000 pesos lang ang ating Soros coconut hanging lamp. Yan. Now we have the Coco Spring Lamp naman from Soros Dimlight Handicrafts. The Coco Spring Lamp is handcrafted with intricate design. Yan, pinapakita po sa inyong screen. And meron tayo ditong actual design. Pwede itong alternative, di ba? Naghahanap tayo ng mga ring light. Yan, perfect for our work from home schedule. And very local ang vibes natin sa bahay dito. Just put yung bulb dito and you will have an instant ring light sa bahay ninyo. So handcrafted po ito for only 1,080 pesos. 1,080 pesos. Just comment Soros 4 for this product. So, iba-ibang design po yan. We have actually here a smaller one. Ito. Ano po? So, ang ating another variety ng ating product. Ano po? So, yan ang ating parang ring light na locally made here in Kamsur. So, that's for the Soros Dim Light Handicrafts. Now, we will have another handicraft from Ondevilla. Another slippers from San Fernando, Camarines Sur. So, ito kung everyday tayong gumagamit, diba? We want to dress up in our pajamas or fashionable slippers. You can have this fashionable and very sturdy slipper, comes with various colors na magko-complement sa inyong style. We have a variety of designs. We have green, maroon, red, and blue. So just comment on the Villa one if you want to have po itong ating slippers for only, ang ating on the Villa ay 108 pesos po. Slippers po na locally made in San Fernando. Ano po? So ito po ay pwede nyong i-grab na for only 108 pesos ang ating slippers coming all the way from San Fernando. Ano po? So, i-mine nyo na po ang ating slippers. Kung naghahanap kayo ng alternative slippers like sa pambahay, yan, pwede nyo na po itong i-mine. Yan. Thank you for watching and staying sa ating 47 viewers ngayong umaga. Ay, ngayong hapon. Okay. Next, we have the Garibo Decembras Craft Home Decor o yung ating macrame manufacturer in Magrao. So if you're wondering, ano kaya yung mga nakasabit sa ating likod? Well, this is na po yung pinaka-pinag-wonderan nyo, which is the macrame manufacturer in Magrao, yung kay Garibo Decembras Craft Home Decor. So we have this Dreamcatcher macrame, itong ating color pink, and it's also shown at your screen. It is a NASA wall, pink and gray. They can also customize the colors po. If you want to have this one, the price of this Garibo Dreamcatcher macrame is good for only 2,160 pesos lang po. 2,160 pesos in a very good accent, lalo na sa may window or sa inyong garden. Yan. Just comment po, Garibo 1, G-U-I-R-I-B-O 1 for only 2,160 pesos. So yan. Just comment mine if you want this product. Now, we have another one from Macrame Manufacturers in Magarao. This one is the Macrame Wall Decor with Red Venus dye. Ayan. Ang ating second product ay item is good for only 1,020 pesos. 1,020 pesos lang po ito. If you are interested to have this one at your home, just comment Garibo 2 for 1,020 pesos. Okay. 1,020 pesos lang po ang ating Garibo Decembras Craft Home Decor, which is the macrame. Now we have the third one, the macrame wall decor with red Venus, which is the V-shape naman po. So we have yung una is yung round shape and now we have the V-shape naman po. So this one is good for 1,020 pesos din po, and you can have it by commenting Garibo 3. Mine Garibo 3 for 1,020 pesos. Yan. Locally made po yan ha. And very, ang ganda niya, ang grand niyang tingnan. Like, for example, parang feeling ko nasa ano ka, nasa ship. Diba? Para kang nasa ship, you're traveling around, or nasa Baguio ka daw. Iba-ibang feels na dala ng ating macrame here in Magarao. Now, we have the macrame wall decor plain white. Ang ating macrame wall decor plain white. If you want to have this one, ito, kinukuha lang po ni Miss Ann ang ating actual sample. This is good for only 900 pesos lang po ito. 900 pesos and very talagang strong ang kanilang pakakagawa. Hindi po siya madaling mag-loosen up. Ano po? So this one is good for 900 pesos and just comment Garibo 4 if you want to have this one. Sa ating mga viewers, if you want to have this one, just comment Garibo 4. Yan. Now we have the macrame pot holder. Ang ating pot holder naman po from Geribo December Scarf Home Decor. Ito, kinukuha lang po ni Miss Anne. So this macrame pot holder is good for only 250 pesos lamang po. Plant holder siya. So pwedeng isabit yung ating mga halaman dito. Ano po? So if you have like succulent plants or yung mga small na ating mga pots, yan, pwede pong isabit dito and isabit nyo po sa wall nyo for only 250 pesos lang po ito. 250 pesos, just comment mine Geribo 5. Mine Geribo 5 for only 250 pesos ang ating Geribo December Craft Home Decor. Yan. Okay, next. After naman ang ating pot holder, we have this macrame wall decor with wooden balls. Yan. Yung ating nasa gilid. This one, you can have this one by commenting Geribo 6 for only 900 pesos. 900 pesos lang po ang product na nakikita ninyo sa inyong screen. So, gawa po yan mismo sa Magaraw. Handcrafted products. Pinaghirapan po talaga ng ating mga manufacturers. And you can grab that for only 900 pesos. Just comment, mine Geribo 6. Ano po? So, you can always go back to this live and comment na lang po if you're interested and if you have finally made a decision with this one. And the last one from Geribo December Craft Home Decor will be shown on your screen, which is the macrame wall decor white and black decor. Yan. So ito pong ating macrame wall decor na white and black is worth 1,200 pesos. So 1,200 pesos lang po ito. If you are interested to have this one, just comment Geribo 7 to have this product. Mine Geribo 7 to have this product. Ano po? So yan. Thank you for our producers and manufacturers in Magaraw noon. Very, very good product that we have in Magaraw na pwede nating balik-balikan at i-mine next time. Okay. At this point, we have our next product, which is the Manoy Andes Ihawan. So balik po tayo, commercial break tayo ng saglit with our food product. First is their Spanish style gourmet bangus. Yan, so gourmet bangus naman po ito, 350 ml. It is made from bangus, carrots, chili pepper, garlic, laurel, and also pickle and salt. So if you want to have this one, just comment mine Andes ANDYS 1 for only 173 pesos ang ating Spanish style gourmet bangus. Yan, 350 ml na po itong ating Spanish style bangus. Just comment mine Andes 1. Mine Andes 1. Okay, our next product from Manoy Andes Ihawan is their gourmet tayotos. Okay, for 220 ml. The ingredients of this one is tayotos fish, carrots, pepper, laurel, peppercorn, garlic, corn, oil, and salt. Discounted prices na po ito ha. Discounted prices kasi itong ating gourmet tayotos is from the original price na 130, 125 exclusive to our payday live selling ngayon. If you want to have this one, mine Andes 2. Mine Andes 2 for our product. Yan. Yung ating Spanish style gourmet naman kanina from 180, 173 pesos na lang po siya. And next is the dinailan ng Manoy Andes Ihawan. So this one naman composes of dinailan, coconut milk, ginger, garlic, pork, pepper, salt, and spices. So talagang mixed of good ingredients na perfect for our snacks or kaya meals, di ba, during the day. So this is 220 ml, good for 144 pesos. Just comment mine Andes 3 for only 144 pesos para po sa ating dinailan. Okay po? Next, we have another product, the last product from Manoy Andes Ihawan, which is the chili garlic oil. Kung naghahanap po kayo ng chili garlic oil during this live payday selling, online selling, this is the perfect one for you. So ito po ang isang siling Taiwan na ginamit dito, and garlic and oil. Discounted price din po ito, 67 pesos na lamang po. Just comment mine Andes 4 for this product. Mine Andes 4 for this product for only 67 pesos. Yan ang ating product ni Manoy Andes. So, comment na lang po kayo from Andes 1, 2, 3, and 4 if you want to have this Spanish-style gourmet bangus, gourmet toyotos, dinailan, and chili garlic oil. Ayan. Thank you very much for joining us during our live Mine Andes 3 dinailan for Miss Kelly Firme. So, thank you very much, Miss Kelly. Mine Andes 3 for Miss Marie Monge. Yan, sorry ma'am kung lagi ako namamali. Okay. So, with that, I think we are done showing our products for today sa ating online live selling. Pero wag muna po kayong aalis dahil i-announce namin after a short break ang ating dalawang winner ng 100 pesos load para sa ating share for this afternoon. And we'll also hear a message from Father Mark. So, with that, we will have a short break pero wag po kayong aalis.
OMG sa to ini, OMG sa to ini. Sa kasakitan sa tong tabangan, maghanap buhay ang kasaralitan. OMG sa to ini, OMG sa to ini. Sa kasakitan sa tong tabangan, maghanap buhay ang kasaralitan. OMG sa to ini, OMG sa to ini, OMG. sagutan. OMG sa to ini, OMG sa to ini. Sa kasakitan sa puntabangan, maghanap buhay ang kasaratan. OMG sa to ini, OMG sa to ini, OMG.
And we are back. Okay. And before we end our live for this afternoon, our second day of Payday Live Selling, let us first hear a video message from Father Mark Rial, the Executive Director of Caritas Cáceres, Naga Incorporated.
OMG, sa to ini. OMG, where buying is caring. Ito po ang taglines ng online market ni Bishop Gainsa or OMG. Sa to ini, atin to. Ang OMG ay local initiative ng Caritas Cáceres under the Archdiocese of Cáceres and the DTI CAMSUR in order to support the small businesses or local entrepreneurs. Kaya nga po, sinasabi namin na we're buying is caring. As we buy or as you buy, as you patronize the products of OMG, tayo ay sumusuporta sa ating mga small businesses, local entrepreneurs. Nasusupport natin ang kabuhayan at pag-asenso ng ating mga kababayan. Salamat po sa inyong suporta sa aming live selling activity. At sana po patuloy pa kayong mag-order, whether sa mga susunod pang live selling or direct through our website or sa aming mobile app. May I also take this opportunity to invite and encourage the other entrepreneurs to join us and be vendors of the online market ni Bishop Gainsa. Again po, OMG, sa to ini. OMG, where buying is caring.
Okay, thank you very much, Father Mark Rial, for that message and for supporting us today in our Payday Live Selling for our second day. And of course, I'd like to announce our winners for the sharers. Nangyari na po ang ating raffle earlier. So meron na tayong dalawang winner for our sharer ng 100 pesos load. Congratulations to Miss Jess Megera. Yan, congratulations, winner of 100 pesos load. And Miss Arlene Cortezano, winner naman po ng ating 100 pesos load. And also, meron tayong game kanina. I'd like to emphasize our two winners sa ating pahulaan game kanina ng products natin yesterday. We have Miss Palang Asedim and Shay Abonita, winners of 50 pesos load. And we would also like to thank everyone dahil ngayong day 2 po, we have earned 340 shares. Yay! 340 shares and 403 comments. Kasama na po yung ating mga miners for today dahil meron tayong 83 miners for today. Yan. And also, thank you din po dahil kahapon nagka-earn tayo ng 683 shares and 437 na comments with a total of 1,003 shares and ang comment na na-earn natin ay 840. And believe it or not, naka-reach tayo ng 10,000 individuals in the online world in Facebook. So maraming salamat po. And ang ating total miners for the whole duration of our 2-day Payday Live Selling is almost 200 miners. Kaya maraming salamat po for supporting our MSMEs and farmers for this afternoon. So yan, I think we are about to end our activity. We will just announce to our Facebook page the winners for yesterday yung ating sa 100 peso load for the minor. And reminder po sa ating mga miners, ang ating pong shipping will be of choice. Pwede pong meet up, but it is scheduled po sa Naga City. So you'll just have to meet with the OMG team for this, for the product delivery. Or kaya pwede rin naman pong i-deliver via Ninja Van or ng mismong OMG if you're not available na during the day ng meet up natin. You can also download OM Gainsa and check all of the products presented during the 2-day payday live selling sa Google Play Store if you're using Android, and also Apple Play Store if you are using iOS software or system. And visit www.omgainsa.com for our for the website of our actual products. Kung anytime pwede kayong bumili doon, because we're in OMG, where buying is carrying. Yan, okay. Of course, we would like to thank once again PDNS Tejada, our ARD in Region 5 DTI 5, and also Ma'am Bill Puentevella for also showing support for our activity in BDD. And also Father Mark Rial of Caritas Cáceres Naga. Maraming salamat po. And yan, maraming salamat sa ating 22 viewers na nagstay dito sa atin. And of course, I'd like to highlight and introduce to you the people behind our 2-day payday live selling. So ngayon nga, let's all welcome the General Director, the very beautiful Miss Rose de la Trinidad. Yan, Ma'am Rose, show yourself at the screen. Yan naman para ma-acknowledge tayo. Yan, Miss Rose de la Trinidad, ang ating, dito ka ma'am, para makita ka, ang ating director for this event. Thank you very much, ma'am. Our floor director, Miss Madel Alacar of the Business Development Division Chief. Yan. Ang ating floor director, yan. Yan, very, kami sa technical team. Also from OM Gainsa, let's all welcome back again, Miss Kelly Firme and Miss Ann, Ma'am Lucanias. Okay, Miss Ann. Ma'am Kelly, here ka po. Miss Ann Lucanias. Yan, say hi sa ating mga viewers. Yan, thank you very much po for your support. Yan, thank you daw po. Thank you po. And also, IMJ Interactive PH sa ating official provider ng ating live streaming for the 2-day activity. Yeah, so you can check their Facebook page sa IMJ Interactive. And also, gusto ko pong magpasalamat ulit sa lahat ng ating miners, viewers. Thank you for staying for our 2-day payday live selling. And goodbye. And ano na po kay team. And let's say bye-bye. And thank you to our viewers and miners. Maraming salamat po.
For your support.
Bye. Yes, bye lokal po tayo.
Yes.
Bye-bye. Thank you very much.
OMG sa to ini, OMG sa to ini. Sa kasakitan sa tungtabangan, maghanap buhay ang kasaralitan. OMG sa to ini, OMG sa to ini. Sa kasakitan sa tungtabangan, maghanap buhay ang kasaralitan. OMG sa to ini, OMG sa to ini, OMG.
Bye.